So, we're going to be doing a live trading session today on the SPY. The game plan said we're looking for a bearish day if we start to go below the previous week lows. So, this overall day is expected to be bearish. Our number one focus is to short overbought spikes, is to short bounces. We're going to be looking for opportunities on puts with spikes. It is as simple as that. We are waiting for the spikes at our key levels, break and retest, short the spikes, short the bounces, using last night's game plan. So we're going to get straight into the live trading session. There's going to be some amazing trades to be made today, shorting the overall spikes. We're looking for the most overbought resistance within the market. As you guys can see, we had all of this previous support channel right here at 66850. All of this support at 66850. It cracked for new lows, went to 76730. And now it's spiking back up, retesting, right? So we're looking for confirmation of lower highs for a bearish close. That's what we're looking for, right? So it's going to be an interesting day. It's going to take some time for some things to play out, depending on, when you get in and what price. But as you can see, looking at today's chart, if we were to be shorting into resistance solely based off of the chart today, we would clearly be in at a good level. This is a lot of resistance towards 669 to 66860. So we'd clearly be in at a good level there if we were to short right now purely based off of the intraday chart, right? So we will see. There's going to be a trade here coming up 100%. So yeah, we'll see. There's going to be a trade here soon. I might start off doing futures, then doing the options. But we'll see, This is going to be a good overall day to be shorting the market. It might be wise to go with futures first and then options because we're extremely oversold. And, it's not like this is just going to collapse below 667 in free fall. I mean, it's possible, but likely not. So we're just in one of those situations where there's more potential upside than downside if we don't have the biggest of moves. So we have to really try our best to get in at the best levels possible, to be shorting, especially with the options. But I'm likely going to start off with futures first and then just give things some time. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. So, yeah, 1205. It's a good level, man. It's a good level. This looks very similar to yesterday. I would say best case, this has one more leg up, but overall is tops. So I might just get in on a futures trade and start there and then wait for an options trade. Let's see. All right, so yeah, guys, I'm going to start off with the futures trade and wait on the options trade. I might miss out on the options trade. It's all good, bro. So I'm going to short futures here. Let's see. All right, so sell ES. All right, so 772,375. Okay, so I'm short. So I am short on the market just like yesterday on the final trade where we went short. So I am short on the overall market. And the game plan is to short into the spikes today. If you guys watched the video last night, it's as simple as that, bro. We got to make money both ways. If there's no opportunities for calls, then we got to do the puts or just stay the fuck out of the market. So yeah, I'm short ES, selling short ES futures. So there we go. And now we just wait. We just wait to fucking print like fucking crazy. If it has one more leg up, I'm going to be targeting some put options on the SPY. So realistically, it's either going to have one more leg up and then try to crash, or it's just going to collapse from here, So that's where we're at. As long as it stays below as long as it stays under the previous 30-minute highs, 63 there, as long as we're staying below 63, look, as long as we stay below this, right? If we stay below this, it's just going to crash first, you know? If we stay below that, it's going to crash first. If we start breaking out, one more leg up towards the highs, and then it flushes. So, we are short. Fuck the bulls. You know, it's time to adapt. It's time to make money. On the short side, because the patterns all indicated a bearish day. You know, it's very clear in last night's game plan that we wrote the market is going to crash, fly off a cliff, therefore short the market and buy puts. It was written in the title and the thumbnail. You guys saw it. It was written right in there. So, we're following the game plan. That's what we're doing. We're shorting the market. Fuck the market. The market can go fuck itself. You know, they don't want to short, then go ahead, buy it. You don't want to short the market, then you guys can buy the market. It's as simple as that, bro. We're all shorting the market. Everyone's bearish. Everyone's shorting. This is bearish as fuck. It's doing the same thing it did yesterday. Same exact pattern. Yesterday, it just drops at the fucking gate. It chops, and then it goes lower. You know, it's doing the same shit it did yesterday, right? So, number one focus today is shorting the spikes, 100%. You know? So, we'll see how this plays out. If we can maintain these lower highs, it's going to try to just collapse, right? If not, we get another leg up towards the highs, and then it tries to have the high of day there. So, I will say this is not the best entry. 100%, guys. This is not the best entry. If you guys are looking for the best entry, you're likely better off just sitting this one out. Definitely not the best entry. It could end up being the best entry, but dude, if we start breaking above this blue line, it's not the best entry. This is going to go another fucking point and then collapse back to our entry. So, yeah, we'll see how this plays out, man. It's what an honor to short this market. You know, absolute honor to short the most degenerate summertime market in fucking history. Like, man, these are not the easiest times to be trading, bro. The price action has just been so fucking trash these past couple days. So, you know, to be able to just short this, what an opportunity. I mean, we might as well. If the market's this shit, we might as well just start going short, you know? Because the price action is fucking trash. It really is. Ever since we had this big move right here, the market just fucking died. It lasted for fucking 1, 2, it didn't last that long. It was a massive move though. It was a massive move. Ever since we got this fucking move here, the market decided to just fucking die. It just fucking died. It collapsed. It died. It's fucking degenerate now. So yeah, man, we'll see. I mean, in terms of the game plan, if we go to the game plan and we go to the levels, you know, the game plan said as soon as the market goes below this level right here, we're all going to short the market. That level was the high of fucking day, bro. Dude, this like, I'm just following the game plan, man. It literally said break, retest, lower highs, short the market. You know, I'm following the game plan. That this line was literally the high of day. The worst level to short the market, well, it wasn't the worst, but it was the lowest. It was definitely the lowest level to short the market. Was literally the high of day. You know, ain't that something, bro? Ain't that fucking something? These levels drew out last night. This was literally the highs of the day. So, yeah, we're playing the break and retest, you know? The market dropped. It's spiking back up. We're shorting the bounces. That's what we're doing, you know? So it's as simple as that. Following the overall game plan. Pretty simple. I mean, in terms of the market open, we had a red, green, red. green, red, flush. Now we got some green coming in, so they're gonna, like I said, try to spike it higher if they break above that line, which they just did. So, the next level to watch for shorts is at that 76930, right? So we got some 30-minute green coming in. Fucking bulls are being fucking degenerate. So they're gonna try to spike this almost $1 if they keep holding this level, So you guys can either hold, get out, do what you want to do. But since we went above the level, these motherfuckers are gonna try to spike this back to the highs, So it's clearly not going to happen for the short term. So it does appear we got the timing wrong on this. The timing does appear to be off unless this just collapses right now. It does appear the timing is off. We broke above the level. So if it just holds that, we're going to go back to the highs. It's as simple as that. Either way, this shit is supposed to crash. So you guys can hold it. You can cut it quick. You guys do what you want. I'm still in on the trade. If you want to cut it quick for a small L, you cut it quick. Try to get back in, like 70 cents higher increase on SPY price. Simple as that, bro. If you guys don't want to risk a bigger L, then just cut it and wait to get back in at the highs. Simple as that. I'm going to hold it. You guys do you. I'm going to do me, So, yeah. You guys know the risk of holding this, This is a degenerate market. You guys know the fucking risk. So yeah, man, all we gotta do is just wait. I'm just waiting. If anything, I can add at the highs. So I can just add at the highs if it reacts bearish there. Fuck it. I'm just gonna hold this trade, bro. I'm using the game plan. The game plan specifically said a bearish day. So, I'm sticking to the game plan. If we hold the trades, we won't need the best of entries. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to hold this. If it goes green, I'm not going to flip red. We're going to scalp this trade. As of now, our max pain is going to be towards the highs, is where our max pain is. And then this blue line is going to determine if we spike first, another leg up, or if we crash first, right? So this blue line, this 30-minute close is going to determine all that, right? So, okay, good. You see what I mean? They go out good, Like I said, bro, I'm not looking to get out like that, bro. I know what they do. Look at what they do. They're fucking degenerates, They break it above the line and then look, it goes right back down. Bunch of fucking degenerates. It's a degenerate market. They can't just fucking crush it. No, they gotta try to make it look bullish because it's going above a fucking bullish line. Fucking degenerates, bro. Guys, we're sitting on a gold mine. All we gotta do is hold the trade. That's it. Just hold the fucking trade. This is the best trade that we can make today, is just shorting the market at spikes, It's clearly at a good level. It's not the best. We could have one more leg up, but, just looking at all of the resistance, if we go to a 5-minute frame, you could see, this is a strong break and retest level. There's lots of resistance around here, right? I mean, we're very close to the highs. Bro, I'm not going to nickel and dime this. If I'm looking for a bearish day, I'm getting in. It could be worse. I could have gotten in at this spike. I could have gotten at the lows. You know what I mean? This could be the highs. Or we could have one more leg up. Dude, I'm getting the fuck in. Fuck all that. I'm not missing out on good plays. Fuck that. Every spike didn't last long. Every spike got shorted. So, this is a perfect scalp. It really is. The trend is supposed to be bearish. We're in at a good resistance level. So, it's fucking perfect. This is a perfect fucking scalp, To sit here and say, let's wait for one leg up and miss out on a good trade, fuck that. You know what I mean? You guys can also start light, or you don't have, I'm not even doing the option. I'm doing the futures on this trade because it could have one more leg up. You know what I mean? Options, I try to be dead on fucking perfect. But this is good. These motherfuckers just failed to form higher support. This was the break and retest support. But then this is a level here where we can bounce too. But guys, we're just going to hold this trade, bro. We're just going to hold this trade. As you can see, the lower this goes, the more profit we're gonna make because we're shorting. That's why. So, fuck the market. You know, summertime is fucking dead. Summer's dead. Nobody wants to buy this trash. I can tell you, bro, I'm an advocate for the bulls. 100%. I don't want to buy this shit. It's fucking, the way this has been reacting is garbage. So we're going to have to adapt and start shorting at times because this is fucking trash. I'm not buying this trash. It doesn't want to spike anymore. They flipped the whole market, you know? So you adapt. All you can do is adapt. You either adapt by not shorting or you adapt by shorting. It's as simple as that, bro. We're adapting, you know? If the market wants to all of a sudden, you know, fucking best fucking bull rally in the world, everyone's getting rich, and then it just wants to die and fucking collapse, you know, then we're gonna short, bro. That's what we're gonna do, you know. I mean, not every day is a fucking straight line, you know what I mean? Not every day is, yeah, fucking bull rally, you know. The market has clearly gone full fucking degenerate. It's the worst time of year to be trading, so we gotta short. They left us with no other choice. We have to short the market. It is what it is. There's no other options, bro. If the game plan says short, we short. And you know, the game plan says market's going to crash, we look for the opportunities to go short. It's as simple as that. You know, we're not going to sit here and fucking aim for fucking calls when every time it bounces, it goes lower. You know what I mean? This is like, fuck the SPY. You know, if it wants to be shit, then we'll just combat that with fucking being shit and just short the market. It's as simple as that, you know? This fucking, the market wants to go full fucking degenerate, then we'll all fucking short the market because that's what it's doing. It's being peak fucking degenerate, you know? Fucking the calls are all fucking dying. It's not a bullish time right now. So we just gotta short the market. It's as simple as that, you know? And we're gonna get a lot of hate for it. People aren't gonna like us, but fuck them, bro. You know? If the game plan says short, we gotta short the market. It is what it is, bro. You know? It's either we don't short or we short. You know? I'm gonna short it. It's as simple as that. You know? So, you guys can see we're in the most, if you look at the chart here, it doesn't get more degenerate than what we're in. Right? So, we're in a fucked market, bro. We really are. Like, this is a fucked market. But you know what? Game plan said short. We're at key resistance levels. When this happened yesterday, eventually it fell off a cliff. So, you know. And bro, I'm telling you, bro, if this spikes like crazy, there's going to be another trade on shorts today. So I'm not worried about it, bro. You know, we'll do an options trade. We'll do a futures trade. Dude, if this spikes like crazy, I'm going to put in more size and I'll probably make 2 trades. I'll probably do an options trade and a futures trade. So I'm not worried about this, you know what I mean? You know, if people don't want to start light, that's on them, bro. That's on you guys. If you don't want to start light, then don't start light, bro. Like, dude, if we're at a better entry to short, I'm going heavier, and I'm going to do an options trade and a futures trade. So, if anything, I would make more money as long as this works out if they do spike it, you know, because I'll have heavier size, and I'll probably be in on 2 trades. So, it's all good, bro. They can do whatever they want to do. Regardless, there's going to be a good shorting opportunity today. If it's not this one, then it's going to be the next one, 100%. So we're chilling, bro. This can do whatever it wants to do. Whatever this shit wants to do, it can do that, you know? And if we have a red day, then we have a red day. It is what it is, you know? But I'm sticking to my thesis of shorting the market, you know? It's as simple as that. And I told them if they want to keep the L small, they could start light or they can just cut it when it starts going above this line. You guys do you. I'm holding this shit. If it's an L, we're going to make a way better trade and we're going to size in bigger. You know, I made it clear that was not the best level. 100% made that clear. So, if you guys are broke, you have no money, don't trade, bro. Don't trade, dude. You know? Do not trade. If you have no money to trade, do not trade. You're going to blow up. You're going to lose all your money, which isn't a lot because you don't have any money to trade. So don't even do it, bro. Do not fucking trade, right? That's what I would say to people who are trading with no money. I would tell them, bro, stay the fuck out of the market, bro. If you guys are going to freak out about an L or something going against you, bro, do not trade. If you are broke, do not trade. If you cannot be successful with a 50% win rate, do not trade. Oh my gosh, bro, there's people successful with a fucking 30% win rate. You know? So guys, if it's not for you, it's not for you. We're going to hold the trade. Hold the trade, not go green to red, set the profit stops when it's green. Simple as that, bro. You know? You know, if the trend's bearish, why would I get out of my shorts? Because it went a little higher? You know what I mean? Why the fuck would I sell? It's a bearish trend. The day is bearish, the trend is bearish, the game plan literally said. It said the market's going to crash. If it doesn't crash from our first entry, it's going to crash from the second one. Second entry is a better price, put in bigger size. It's simple as that. So I'm telling you guys, all we got to do is hold this trade, bro. You know, I'm not here to entertain the fuck shit market. We're in a market where you either got to scalp it or pick a side. So the trend is bearish, right? Short the spikes, hold the trades, or just scalp the spike and get in and out, bro, and short it. Short the tip, get out quick. You know what I mean? Or hold the trade. You guys do what you want to do. You know? The scalps, as you can see, are fucking shit. So if we're gonna trade, we have to hold this. There is no other option. So you guys can start lighter. It's just when we're holding trades, we're not trying to go green to red like we were doing on fucking Friday. We are not trying to do that again. You know, we're gonna take the fucking gains. We're not trying to go fucking green to red. That is the one thing we are not trying to do when we're holding the trades. You know, we're gonna keep it in the green, take the gains, set the profit stops. Simple as that. So like I said, guys, this is a bearish day. The SPY gap down. It went below the previous week lows. The previous week lows is a fucking resistance level. This is the previous week lows. It's reacting as a fucking resistance. So everything is bearish, bro. We're in a short the spike market for today. Specifically for today. You know? And then we'll have a new update on the next game plan. So all you got to do is short the market. Short the market. It's a bearish day. 100%. You know, as bulls, we learned yesterday. We tried yesterday, we learned. You know, we went long, it worked, and then it stopped working. So we stopped going long. And then we went short, and of course the motherfuckers, of course, they waited all the way until the last fucking millisecond to take it to our profit target. These fucking degenerates, bro. We were shorting yesterday. Right here. We would have had to wait 2 fucking hours for the 1 point drop. But the point is, it never broke above resistance. So guys, if something never breaks above a resistance and it just channels, bro, it's gonna fucking crash if it can't break out, you know? So just hold the fucking trade, bro. If it cannot break above the resistance level, just hold the trade. You know, yesterday I didn't want to hold it that long. I wasn't trying to hold it that long. But if the market doesn't break above a resistance level, sometimes it could take 20 fucking hours for it to hit the profit target. So we're just going to have to hold in situations of degenerate situations like yesterday. You know, and today it's doing the same shit, right? So we're just going to have to hold, guys. We don't have a choice. There's no good scalps. The bulls are fucking degenerates. They lost me since yesterday. They can go fuck themselves with the bullshit they fucking put me through yesterday going on. And the bears taught us that we got to be patient. That's what the bears taught us yesterday. We got to be fucking patient, bro. If it's just not breaking out, there's no reason to get out. Eventually, it's going to fall off a fucking cliff. It's as simple as that. Every single time, failed to break out, it just fucking collapsed. So the bears are teaching us patience, and the bulls are teaching us that, you know, it's not time to be bullish because they're a bunch of fucking degenerates. Bro, I'm telling you, I learned yesterday, bro. You know? And then I locked in on the game plan. Game plan said to short the market. So, You know, if you guys take these shorts, bro, you're gonna make a fuck ton of money. You're gonna make a fuck ton of money, bro. These are the best fucking shorts in the market. That's what is the fuck we're doing. You see what they do, bro? Like, dude, I know where the odds are. I know where the probabilities are. I'm looking at the chart. I'm saying every single spike got shorted. If it has another spike, why would I exit? Every single spike is getting shorted, bro. Why would I buy into this? We learned yesterday. And, bro, the game plan made it crystal clear. SPY's gonna fly off a fucking cliff and go bearish if it goes below the previous week lows. It's written in stone. My art was the high of day. And somehow, some way, someone's still red. Someone's still losing money. Someone is still bitching, whining, complaining in my comments. Yet, I look at the drawing that I made yesterday. It goes down, it goes up, and then it flushes. And then I look at what the market did today. It goes down, it goes up, and then it flushes, you know? Yet somehow someone's still bitching. And I'm like, bro, this is why we don't want to be associated with the brokies. The brokies need to go fuck themselves. They're better off going to the casino than making money in the market, you know? They're just not going to make it. If you guys don't have money, don't trade. You know, this is not entertainment. Do not go watch a TV show if you're going to, like, you know what I mean? This is trading, bro. If you guys are broke, don't trade. It's as simple as that. We don't want no fucking broke ass hoes watching our shit. And if you guys are broke, just fucking, I don't know, bro. Go do something else. We're all about getting rich. And if you guys aren't getting rich, if you're worried about other things, like, dude, this market's cooked, bro. I was looking at my comments. I was like, dude, I got people worried more about my fucking... Someone commented about my furniture. They're worried more about my furniture than the SPY price. I'm like, bro, these motherfuckers don't know me, bro. I just let people think what they want. You guys can think whatever you want about me, bro. I just don't give a fuck. Why would I give a fuck? We have the best trading system on the fucking planet. We have the best curriculum, bro. This market's degenerate. There's people more concerned about stupid shit that they don't even know about than the actual game plan. That's what I'm saying. If you guys are broke, just please get the fuck off the channel, bro. This is not like, we're not trying to do just entertainment. You know, this is make money. This is all this shit is. Make money. Make money, make money, make money, make money, make money. So all we're doing is making money, bro. If you guys aren't making money, then you're following the wrong person. If I'm not, in some way, if I'm not helping you guys make money, then just don't watch it, bro. You know, if you guys are inversing me to make money, that's great. You know, as long as you guys are using this as a tool to make money, bro, you're doing the right thing. But if you're not, you're doing the wrong thing, bro. You know, like, bro, I don't care if people are inversing, if they're doing the opposite. I don't care how you guys use this. As long as you're using this for you to make money, you're doing the right thing. That's what I would say, bro. As long as you guys find a way to make money with this stream, you're 100% doing the right thing. But if you're just going to be a bitch, whine and complain, you know, just talk about some bullshit, make up shit about me, then, bro, you're just using it for the wrong thing. You guys need to use this stream to get rich, because losing is a choice, you know? If you guys take this trade, you can buy all the furniture you want to buy. You know, there's people have theories about me with furniture. I'm like, bro, I don't show people where I live. You guys can guess whatever you want to guess, bro. I keep it a mystery. You know, it is what it is. So, yeah, we're just holding shorts, bro. That's all we're doing. We're just holding shorts. We're keeping the puts. And it's as simple as that. You know? But look, let's see. Where could the market bounce? Well, technically it could bounce right here. It could bounce right here. It really could. It could bounce right here. This is a bounce level. But fuck it, bro. I'm going to hold the trade. So just so you guys know, if you hold this, you're going to go green to red if it bounces here, right? So it's okay to go green to red on a trade if it's not like a insane gain, right? And you want to hold for more, that's fine. But if you're up a good amount, you have to, you know what I mean? You can't go green to red, right? So this is a fairly small move. So I'm going to keep on holding the trade, right? I'm just saying this could bounce right here. It really could. And technically it could go higher if it bottoms there. But guys, we're going to hold this trade. So if we look at the market here, we have a, you know, red, green, red, lower high sell-off coming in. To continue that, we need to flush. We need to fucking flush the market. We need to flush. We need to drop. We need to flush. We need to drop. That's what we need. We need this to turn red. Otherwise, they're going to flip it with a green, red, green, higher support attempt to retest the highs of the wicks and then flush, right? Like, bro, today is going to be insane. If this spikes all the way back to the highs, we could get the craziest power hour YOLO for the puts. You know, like I'm saying, bro, if this trade gets fucked, we could get a crazy trade the short later, and then it goes right back to our entry. You know, so just so you guys know, the market could have a strong bounce. It could have a bounce right here. It really could. This is a very strong break and retest bounce level. You know, the risk of holding this is we go back to the highs. That's the risk. So just so you guys know that. But look, man, I'm holding the trade. You know, if it happens to go back to the highs, there is high probabilities we go back down to our initial entry. But bro, if this goes back to the highs, I'm going to make another trade. It's as simple as that. You guys manage this however you want to manage it. Because, bro, if it bottoms there, it's going to go back to the highs. You know? Just saying, bro. If it bottoms there, we're going back to the highs. You guys do what you want. The trade was green. Now it's red. Welcome to fucking trading a bullshit market. It's like, bro, we literally, like, when it comes to the holding, we have to hold this for hours. We literally have to hold this for hours to get a bigger move. In the meantime, they're just going to bullshit all day. All they're going to do is just bullshit this, you know what I mean? So again, you guys trade this how you want. If you want, you could just scalp and hold some, right? You could have sold some at that dip and then hold the rest, right? You guys do what you want, bro. You guys do what you want. I'm just going to hold the trade. It is what it is, bro. So yeah, it is what it fucking is. We're just gonna hold the fucking trade. Play for the bigger move. If it doesn't work, the next one will. You know? The next trade is gonna work. It's gonna be a bigger game. So yeah, man, we just gotta hold this fucking trade, bro. You know, the market here wants to fucking, like I said, guys, these are the worst times to be trading. This is the summertime, you know? We're still doing amazing, but it's enforcing people to hold. That's what it's doing. Because the scalps have just been too degenerate and small wins. It's really forcing people to hold. So, you know, just size a little lighter and hold the trades and don't go green to red. It's okay to go green to red if it's a small move, you know? If we're holding and we're not trying to scalp it, if all it gives us is a scalp, bro, then, you know, it's okay to go green to red in that situation. But we're not trying to do what we did on Friday, bro. Friday, we was up 20 to 50%. We're not trying to give that back. We're certainly not doing that. So, yeah, that's all we got to do. You know, just hold the trades, guys. Hold the trades. We're in a holding degenerate market. You know, the market flipped. We're not bullish today. We're not scalping today. So we're doing the complete opposite of everything we normally do. And we're trying our absolute best to do it the best we can. It's as simple as that, bro. You know, we're adapting. If we're going to trade it every day, then we can't just do the same thing every day. The market changes all the time. Fucking summertime. The trades have been very shit recently. Not the trades, just the market. The price action has been shit, but the trades have still been good. But definitely trading a lot less, you know? So fuck it. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait, bro. We're just gonna have to wait. Have to wait and hold this shit through, bro. You know? Is what it is, bro. Fucking... They want to flip the market to a bunch of degenerate shit. Fuck it, bro. It is what it is. Fuck it. It is what it is, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck. Oh my god. This market is so fucking degenerate, bro. Most degenerate fucking market I've ever fucking seen. fucking degenerate fucking market, bro. Bunch of fucking degenerate markets, bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
What you gonna try to go in for that pussy, girl? Don't hurt me.
And bro, just so you guys know, for those of you who want to hold this, just so you know, bro, if you look at the 30-minute chart, we got a green, red, green, bullish attempt. It hasn't closed green, so it could flip red, but bro, they're really trying to close this green, right? So just so you guys know, this was a previous resistance level right here in the 30s. If this closes green, that's going to be support, green, red, green, and then they'll attempt to send it to the highs, and then bears will be trapped, and then they'll try to drop it here. Just so you guys know, if at any point you do want to cut this and just wait, you're more than welcome to do so, bro. In terms of the prices to cut, it would be right here around, right around the 90 to the 60. 90 to 60 range is a cut range if you want to keep the L small. Another way to keep L smaller is to start light. Oh my goodness, if you guys start light and don't size as big, you're not even going to give a fuck about cutting it here. You know, you can just hold through and then it will drop right back down to your initial entry, or you'll just take a normal L right here. So, I'm just letting you guys know. You know, you guys, you might not want to do what I'm doing exactly to a T, so I'm just showing you what else you can do. You guys can do you. You don't have to do every little thing that I'm doing. If you think you can do something better, bro, I'm literally explaining to you what the market is trying to do. You know, so you know what's happening. I explained it to you. You know, so you guys do you. If at some point you want to cut it, get back in, right? You can keep an L smaller by cutting the L, or you can start lighter. Starting lighter keeps the L smaller too. If you want to hold an L longer, you can always start lighter too. You know? If you hold the L and you start lighter, it's like you rarely ever lose. If you cut the L, you're going to have losses. You know? So, you guys do what you want to do, bro. If you guys want to do something else, or you think you could do something better, bro, I'm showing you exactly what can happen. You know? If you're going to cut, though, bro, I would give that some time. I would not cut right away. I would give that some fucking time, bro. You know, the market's degenerate. Look, there was a green, red, red, green. It crashed. It spiked first, and then it crashed, you know? So, I think today's a bearish day. I think the best thing we can do is just short the rips, and that's exactly what I did, so that's why I'm not getting out, because this is what I believe is the best thing to do, is to short the rips. So there's no reason for me to get out, bro, you know? If a 70-cent spike is too big of an L, then don't trade, bro. You know, if you can't start that light, then don't trade. It's fucking 70-cent spike we're talking about. Motherfuckers. Fucking, bro, I swear that if people are broke, they should never trade. Like, the fuck? You know? It's like, for reals. What are they gonna do? They're gonna turn $100 into $1 million? Like, get the fuck out of here, bro. What do they think they're gonna do? You know? For reals. Like, the fuck? Bro, traders literally burn money. The fuck? Like, how can someone trade if they have no money? Literally part of this job is burning money, you know? Sometimes we have to burn money. It's what we have to do. That's what traders do. Sometimes they have to burn through the money. It is what it is. Like, It's fucking trading. The fuck? If you've no money to burn, then don't trade. The fuck? What are you gonna burn? You have no money to trade. Burn a fucking paper account? The fuck are they gonna burn? Fuck shit, man. Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em. Oh my goodness, bro.
Disrespect the life, that's a no-no. All my niggas dressed in that roll. I ride for my guys, that's the bro code. Baby gave me head, that's a local blow. Yeah, she made me weak when she deep throw. I need a rich bitch, not a cheap.
Oh my goodness, bro. Welcome to the Deegan market, guys. Welcome to the Deegan market. You gotta hold for hours for not even a best move, you know? It's fucking, bro. The market does nothing all day. It has a big move for 30 minutes and then it does nothing again. Welcome to the Deegan market, guys. Holy shit, bro. Bro, did you guys see what they said about the NASDAQ market? They're gonna pull a fucking 24/7 hour window on the NASDAQ market, bro. Shit is fucking crazy, bro. Then what's gonna happen? Are those gonna be good times to trade or shit times to trade? You know what I mean, bro? It's gonna be interesting, dude. They're talking about 24-hour markets in December, is what I was reading, you know? We'll see. Fucking degenerate, fucking, you know? This market's gonna be crazy, bro. They're doing it right around when GTA is coming out. Fucking 24/7 hour markets, bro. Fuck it. So yeah. It's gonna be interesting, man. I'm telling you, bro, the only problem GTA is gonna have is real life is GTA. That's the only problem they're gonna have. But for people who wanna play it in a video game, bro, they know where to go. You know what I mean? But bro, the only problem they're gonna have is shit's real fucking life GTA every day. That's the only problem they're gonna have. You know what I mean? Some people might not want to play the game. They might want to play the game in real life. You know what I mean? Fuck it. But yeah, guys, welcome to the degenerate market. You have to short at the lowest levels when SPY gaps down and hold the trades. You know, if people think they can do this on their own, good fucking luck, bro. We was literally just calls 24/7. Now we're shorting at the lowest levels when it's gapping down. Bro, if people don't have guidance in this market, they're gonna get fucking cooked. They're gonna get cooked 100%, bro. We was advocating calls 24/7. Now we're shorting the market at the lowest level. This is the lowest level on a slow, dead, choppy day, bro. We're doing the complete opposite of everything we normally do. You know what I mean? If people don't have guidance, bro, they're gonna get. If they don't know this game, they're gonna get fucked. They're gonna look at this, bro. This was the best support. This went from 7. This went up 10 points, all the way to new all-time highs. Roaring. Look, the market's dead. It's at the best level, bro. It's dead. It did exactly what the fuck I showed them. Break and retest. It dropped. It retested. It dropped. It dropped. It retested. It dropped. This was literally yesterday, mapped out. It didn't fucking say roaring fucking rally in 7, you know? If people don't know how the game works, they're gonna get fucking destroyed. What are they gonna, they're gonna think, oh, it's not doing what it did last time. Yeah, no shit. Adopt. A fucking dot. Look at how degenerate this is, bro. This is the market we're in. Look at this. It goes down, it goes up, it goes down. It's so degenerate. But yeah, man. We're holding the trade. If people don't have guidance, they're gonna get fucking clapped, bro. And if they're just gonna sit here and buy calls 24/7, you know, they're gonna have days where it's just not gonna work. So it's just not a bullish day. You know, this is not bullish, bro. Man, it's fucking degenerate fucking day, bro. Literally have to fucking wait hours for a trade to work out. That's the type of market we're in. We have to wait 20 fucking hours for something to work. You know, it's the most degenerate market I've ever fucking seen. You know? Like, man, we really thought the market open was the best fucking time to trade. And then the summer hit, and look at what happened. Now it's fucking degenerate, bro. It's fucking degenerate time to trade. Fucking summer, man. It's just such a degenerate time, bro. I go outside, I'm like, it's too hot, there's nothing to do, this is fucking degenerate. You know? What like a degenerate time. Summer is the most degenerate fucking time. It really is. So fucking degenerate. Like fucking A, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at how... Bro, such a degenerate fucking piece of shit, bro. Shout out to the Deegan market, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck happens? It just... It goes from the best market in history to just death. You know what I mean? Man, fucking death, bro. What the fuck? Fucking... Well, they're gonna keep on spiking this. So like I said, bro, if you guys want to cut it, you can cut it. If you want to hold it, you can hold it. They're gonna spike it back to the highs, it looks like, you know? I'm just gonna hold the trade, bro. I'm just gonna hold the trade. Fuck it, you know? Just gonna hold the trade. Most degenerate market I've ever seen. It does not get more degenerate than this. Oh, man. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to cut this, you know, final calls to cut the trade if you guys want to cut. Time's running out to cut. So, gave it plenty of time. Fucking degenerate fucking trade. But, I'm gonna hold it, you know. Is what it is, bro. Fucking degenerate. Man. Dude, if I were doing options in this, I would be getting fucking clipped. Like, oh my god, my shit would be decaying so fucking badly, bro. You literally have to time this shit fucking perfectly to do options in this fucking bullshit. You know? It's fucking, man, the timing has to be immaculate. If you do options in this, you're basically guaranteed 100% losses. And then if you can time one right, then you'll get the big win. Like, bro, this is tough as shit to do options in this. And that's why a lot of options traders, they're not making a lot of trades in this, bro. Because this price action is fucking trash, you know? Like, you guys got to adapt. You got to trade less, try a futures trade. You know, you got to do some adapting. Because when the market goes full Deegan like this, bro... Dude, this is crazy. Not even one big move today. Wow, bro. This is fucking... If you guys look at what they're doing, all of the big moves transferred to fucking futures. You know, that right there in itself is a sign to trade the futures, bro. Options are getting fucking wrecked. Futures are fucking printing, but they're printing during the futures time. Big move during futures. Big move during futures. You know? What a fucking... Imagine what's going to happen in the 24/7 hour market, bro. The hottest, most popular, best time to trade, it might flip. It might turn into nighttime, which is fucking great because I'm always fucking up, you know? I'm always up at night. So that would be fucking great. My frequency is fucking amazing at night. It's like, you guys see how good the game plans are. Those are fucking created at night. You know? The game plans wouldn't be the same if I fucking made them in the morning. Fucking... My frequency is fucking high as fuck at fucking night. It's fucking insane, man. It's the highest fucking frequency I've ever fucking seen. It's always at night. So, if they can just do that 24-hour market soon, that would be great. You know, I might switch up my whole fucking trading style. I might just trade around there. You know, that's gonna be interesting, bro. Like, changes have to be made, man. Fucking Life is GTA. The new GTA is coming out, so people gotta start changing, bro. Fucking shit. That's gonna be amazing. People can literally work a 9 to 5 and then they could trade at night. You know, what's their excuse then? They actually have time to trade and pursue something, you know? All they gotta do is sit there and look at the charts. So, I'm looking forward to that, man. I'm looking forward to that 24-hour market, bro. gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, bro, fucking NASDAQ, they plan to fucking operate 23 hours per day, 5 days a week. December 6th. Bro. Dude, this is gonna fuck the whole market, bro. I'm looking forward to it. I'm all for it. Because, dude, I'm a night person anyways, so if they want to bring this shit alive at night, fucking do it, bro. That would be the highest fucking, that's gonna be great. My frequency is so much higher at night. You know, I've never been the type of morning fucking, I'm more of a night person, so I'm looking forward to that, you know? But dude, what that's gonna do to the market, oh my god, I don't think it's gonna make it easier to trade. It might make it more challenging. But I'm looking forward to it, you know? A lot of people are gonna get fucked up first. If you guys are getting fucked in certain market conditions, like take summer for example, what a degenerate shit this has turned into lately. If you guys are getting clapped, sometimes the best thing you can do is just target the absolute best setup. You know, aim for the most unrealistic, unusual trading opportunity. Like the type of trade when you see it, if you had the full port, or if it had to be a trade that takes you out of retirement, bro, trading like that is like the best solution. If you guys start trading it, like, bro, if the market gets challenging, if you start creating plans, the best setups to best prices, and you start treating this as like, you know, I'm only going to enter trades. Let's say you're like, think of it as like you're retired. You're retired from trading. I'm only going to enter trades that would pull me out of retirement. What would those trades be? The absolute best ones, right? Usually that helps, but still, bro, with all these different times, it's gonna be a more challenging market. It's not. I don't think it's gonna be an easier market. I think it's gonna create more of a challenging experience. You know, like nearly every single time the market was fucking volatile and easy to trade at market open. Obviously, summer, fuck that. But what's gonna happen when we have a fucking 23-hour market? You know, what's gonna happen then? Hopefully that night session gets fucking cracked. You know, hopefully everyone working the 9 to 5, they all start trading at night. You know, because that would bring in a fuck ton of volatility. That would be nice if they can just all do that. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to that. I'm here for it, bro. I'm here for the challenge, dude. I'm here for the challenge, you know? If they want to make this challenging, then fuck it. Make it the most challenging market to ever fucking exist. I'm here for this shit. I'm in the game for this fucking trades, man. So yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. This fucking... Dude, what the fuck, man? It's fucking... Oh my gosh, bro. It's fucking shit, man. Fuck, bro. Man, it's fucking degenerate fucking... Fucking shit, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It's the most degenerate market I've ever seen, bro. Fucking, like, shit, man. Why can't it just be good every day, you know? Why can't we just have, like, fucking... Why does the volatility have to disappear like that? Why can't we just, you know, be roaring every day, you know? Why do we have to be in a market that just dies at times? Like, why? Why can't we just fucking have big moves every day, bro? You know? Why can't we just have the big moves every day? Why do we have to have big moving days and then just dead days, you know? Why can't we just have the big moves every day? You know, it's fucking... This market is fucking cooked, man. You know? Less trades, less gains. Fucking cook of a market, bro. Damn. Fucking shit, bro. Fucking trash. You can't even scalp this shit, bro. Fucking gains on scalping are gonna be small, but it's not even worth it. Look at how degenerate this. Who would even want to scalp this? It's so degenerate. Oh gosh, bro. Can't even fucking... Dude, I have to hold the... I don't want to scalp this. This is degenerate. It's fucking dead. I feel like every single hour of the day, it's fucking middle of the day. I'm like, man, the fuck? Holy shit, bro. This fucking market is fucking cooked. Damn, bro. This shit used to be good. I don't know what the fuck. Fucking summer hit, and they said, fuck it. Let's just turn off the fucking lights. Motherfuckers, bro. Damn. Fuck it. Look at this. Dude, that is like trash. What the fuck? Fucking... It goes from fucking 5 stars to 0 stars. What happened? Bro, the fact that G-Roar called a 300% play yesterday, that needs to be fucking studied. Who the fuck in the options market hit a 300% return yesterday? Like, for reals, guys. What the fuck? Man, like, a 300% return? That shit needs to be fucking studied. How the fuck does someone make a 300% return in this shit? It's fucking, bro, the market was fucking trash. All fucking, man. You have to literally time it perfectly, get the best entry, hold it for hours, be right about the trend. Like, oh my gosh, bro. A 300% return. What the fuck, dude? Man, fucking shit, bro. Wow, bro, this is crazy. We might not even have a big move. I literally spoke it into existence. Yesterday I was explaining, I was like, what are they going to do next? Are they just not even going to give us a big move and they're just going to chop it all day? Like, fucking, bro. Today might be the day. Like, fuck. Does anyone have the indicator that says we're going to have a big move today? Like, bro, there's some days it doesn't even have a big move. Yesterday there was only one big move. There was only one. It was right here. As soon as I bought the fucking calls the second time, the big move hit. And it didn't last long, bro. That shit, look, it lasted from how long? It started right here at 12:30. It lasted for an hour. But more so in terms of out of the channel, like 30 minutes. So, dude, there's days where it doesn't even have that for 30 minutes. You know, does anyone have the indicator that tells us if there's going to be a big move, it's going to happen today? You know, because, bro, there's sometimes we don't even get that 30 minutes. It's like that fucking show, 60 Minutes. Bro, some people don't even get their 60 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, does anyone have the indicator that says, you know, we're not going to get our 30 minutes today? Does anyone have that indicator? I would love to know what that is. Does anyone? It's like, there's a fuck ton of 30-minute candles every single day. There is days where there's no big move in those 30-minute candles. They do exist. So if anyone has that indicator, bro, let me know. Like, holy shit, bro. Like, this market is cooked. Oh my god, this one is fucking smacking. Damn. Dude, cooked. My gosh, bro. Wow. Market is fucking cooked. Holy shit. Fucking cooked. I ain't so up to work and I'm posted up in Florida. Market is cooked. Cooked, bro. Look at this. This is like peak degenerate. Man. This is like downloading that fucking Xbox game and never being able to play it. Just never fucking download. It's like 1,000,000 fucking gigs. What the fuck is this bullshit? Man, fucking trash, bro. Fucking trash ass fucking market, bro. And then I sit here and say, what else am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to, if I'm not trading right now, what am I supposed to do? I go outside, it's fucking a million fucking degrees. There's nothing to fucking do. What am I supposed to do, bro? What a fucking, man, life is fucking degenerate. Like, holy shit, bro. The fuck, like, supposed to just burn in the sun all day? Like, fucking hell, man. What the fuck? What a fucking, man, bro, fucking summertime, bro. Summertime is peak degenerate, bro. It's like, why do I need summer to just go into a desert? I could just go to a desert anytime. Fucking summertime is the most degenerate time to be alive. It really is. I've never seen a more degenerate time to be alive than fucking summertime, bro. This shit is so degenerate. You know, we can fucking, I can teleport and live in a desert, bro. What am I gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to move to fucking, oh my gosh, bro. Fucking move where all the polar bears are. Like, fucking shit, man. What a degenerate time to be alive, man. Fucking shit. Oh yeah, just flip it green, bro. Look, they flipped it green again. Fucking degenerates. Holy shit. Man. Dude, we're literally gonna have days where we're patients for nothing. They're just gonna kill the market, bro. Does anybody have the indicator where patience doesn't pay? I would love to know what that indicator is, you know, so I can sit here and not burn money and just burn in the sun instead. You know what I mean? I would love to know what that indicator is, bro. What is the indicator that says not a single 30-minute candle today is going to have a big move? Like, fucking degenerate fucking price. Look at this, bro. It was dead the whole day. Dead the whole day. Look, right here. Finally a big move. And then dead the whole day again. Fucking trash, bro. Man. Fucking trash, bro. What a shitty fucking season to be in, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Like, what the fuck? It's like the market turned into fucking summer school. What the fuck happened, bro? So every trade was good, everything was working. Now I'm just sitting here saying, fuck, we can't even scout. That's how bad it's gone. Can't even fucking scout. I can't even do what I'm best at doing, bro. Fucking A. Every time I hold a trade, it usually doesn't work to an extent, you know what I mean? It either flips green to red or it doesn't work. Every fucking time I hold it flips green to red or the trade doesn't work. And I'm looking at the scalps and I'm saying, bro, this ain't a good time to be scalping. They're not, it's degenerate. What the fuck? This is worse than yesterday, bro. It just keeps getting worse. Holy shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? Man. Dude, anyone running a trading business, their job right now is to do nothing. Like, for real. It's to do nothing or trade a different asset class, you know? Whatever the fuck they're doing. Fucking straddles, iron condors, whatever the fuck they're doing. Credit spreads, whatever the fuck. It's like, dude, most people's jobs now is to do nothing. That's literally their job, is to not burn money. Like fucking A, bro. Imagine showing up to trade and telling people, alright guys, our job today is to do nothing. We're just not going to burn any money. Like, fucking, man, it's like we're in situations where it's either we burn the money or we do nothing at all. That's how bad this market's gotten, bro. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Unless we do a different asset class, you know? The people do vertical spreads, they do, you know, debit spreads, the fucking iron condors, iron fucking condors, fucking credit spreads. People do all kinds of shit. We're in such a fucking complex market, bro. Like, there's so many fucking options. Soon we're gonna be able to fucking trade 23 hours a fucking day. Lord knows what that's gonna do, bro. For most people, it's probably just gonna take their money, is what I would say. Fucking shit, bro. This market is fucking... They're making it more challenging. That's what they're doing. I don't think 23 hours a day is going to make the market easier. I think it's going to make it more challenging. I think the setups are going to have to just become better. I think we're going to have to really aim for higher standards with that. Fucking A, bro. Market is fucking cooked. Man, there's just nothing to do these days in the fucking stock market. Like, what the fuck? The only thing to do is hold. Hold the trade. Hold the trade, guys. We'll be patient. It might not even be a time to hold the trade. It might not even work. It might go the other way, or it might go in our way. Dude, we're at such a severe disadvantage trading in this market. Fucking shit, bro. Motherfucking man. Fucking trash, bro. Look at this, bro. What the fuck did they do? Bro, who's flipping the switch, man? Why can't it just be good every day? You know? It just doesn't make sense. How does the market, how do we go from, you know, how do we go from that to just, bro, how does that make sense? What is the logical explanation? What the fuck, man? How did we go from that? Are you fucking kidding me? Where did it all go? It's like it disappeared. It's like SPY gap down, all the momentum disappeared. Where did it all go? Where did it all go? What the fuck happened, bro? Damn. Fucking trash, bro. Fucking L market, bro. L market. L market, bro. L market. Oh, now they're gonna spike it. Alright, guys, look. If you don't want a bigger L, bro, this shit just keeps on reacting bullish now, bro. Look, it's gonna try to break out. It could easily collapse right here. But guys, if you want to keep the L even lighter, if you guys want, you can cut it. Or you can just hold it, bro. I'm just saying, these motherfuckers keep trying to spike this, bro. My frequency literally just said they're gonna try to spike it higher. You know, the high of day could be right here. It really could be. Like I said, bro, if you guys don't want to hold through that, just cut the trade, dude. Because the more time passes, this shit looks like it just wants to go back to the highs. You know, it's like, and then when it gets to the highs, it's gonna look like it wants to crash. Like, dude, we're in such a degenerate market. You have to be fucking perfect, guys. If you're not perfect or you don't have a system to be right with a 50% win rate, bro, then don't trade. You know, so like I said, if you guys want to cut it, you cut it, bro. I'm wise enough to not do the options right now because I looked at that shit and I'm saying, bro, there's no way in fucks I'm going to hold an options trade with this degenerate fucking price. You know, but it does work. It works for some people, bro. Like I said, dude, G-Roar had a 300% win yesterday. You know, it did have a big move, but to do that, you got to time it fucking perfect. Today, we might not even get a big move. You know, but the wins is bigger than L's, so it makes sense. But when it comes to me personally, like how I trade, bro, there's no way in fucks I'm gonna, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna do that, bro. You know, I would rather just follow that trade in that situation. But I'm in on a futures trade here too. So yeah, you know. But this market, I'm telling you guys, it's cooked. It's fucking cooked. It's sad to see. It really is, bro. This is like, fuck, bro. This is like going to like a fucking Miami nightclub and there's no one there. It's like, what the fuck happened to Miami? You know what I mean? Like, literally nobody's there. It's like that. Like, man, the market just doesn't fuck the way it used to. You know what I mean? So we really got to adapt. I mean, I'm clearly adapting. I'm shorting the market. I'm not trading as much. I'm definitely adapting, but man, what a disappointing, you know, what a disappointing, like, to be in. Like, fucking A, man. Oh my gosh, dude. What a disappointing situation. But the scalps are just so shit, where if we're gonna trade, we have to hold. You know, we literally have, bro, these are shit scalps. I'm not gonna try to scalp, you know, so if we're going to have to hold, we just got to size in lighter to supplement the scalps, right? And it's not like we're holding a lot of trades. There's not a lot of trades to be holding. There's not a lot of trades to begin with, bro. So, you know, this isn't the market we're in. This is fucking crazy, bro. There's literally days now where it's just, dude, I don't even want to scalp. It's just so shit. The fucking, look at this shit, bro. The moves are so small. What a degenerate market, man. You know? Fucking, it's even making it harder for the fucking scalpers. The moves are so small and degenerate. So all someone can do is just, if they're going to scalp, they can increase their position size, or they can try holding a trade with a smaller position size. That's all they can really do, you know? If they're going to participate in this degenerate fucking action. But man, guys, I'm disappointed, bro. I really am, man. This summer has been such a disappointment. You know, there's nothing to do. Like fucking, oh man, bro. Like everything's been dead, you know? I go outside, no one goes out anymore. And it's a fucking million degrees outside. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I'd rather have it be fucking winter at this point, you know? I'd rather fucking be frozen fucking cold than just burn all day, you know what I mean? Like, bro, the least they can do, I mean, fuck, if it's gonna be this bad, you know what'd be nice? Is if they can just, if the weather here, if they can just make it burning hot all day, and then, you know, around 7 p.m. they make it freezing cold. That would be interesting. But dude, to just burn this shit 24/7, oh my gosh. I'm just sitting here saying like, dude, this is degenerate. Why can't they make it hot in the day and cold at night? You know? Why can't they do that at least? You know? They gotta make it fucking, no, they gotta make it, let's just burn it 24/7. We'll burn the option contracts. We'll burn everything, bro. I love how the weather is in alignment with the market. It really goes to show of like just the fucking, this world. You know? The weather's literally in alignment with the market. They say trading is life. You know? I go outside, nobody goes outside. It's fucking a million degrees. I look at the market. Dude, it's fucking trash. You know? It's like the market is literally reflecting how trash the weather is. You know? Like, man, what a disappointment, bro. What a disappointment. You know what I mean? It's like fucking... It's so fucking hot. I don't even want to go out during the fucking nighttime anymore. And then when I go out, nobody goes out anymore. I'm like, damn, what the fuck happened? Fucking everybody dipped. They all dipped. I'm sitting here saying, fuck, the best thing to do these days is just to stay in fucking inside when the weather's just fucking trash. And then there's just not much to fucking do inside. I'm like, man, this is fucking, you know what I mean? What is there to fucking do, bro? Fucking, hey, trade, watch TV. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do all day? Fucking degenerate market, bro. L fucking market. Oh, man. I'm so disappointed, bro. So disappointed, bro. Fucking A, bro. This is so boring, dude. Fuck. This is so fucking boring. Bro, I might as well just, like, not even clock in anymore. I might as well just give them the game plan and say, guys, the market shit, do your best. Like, this is so trash, dude. I don't know what the fuck happened, man. Fucking summer is what happened. Fucking summertime, man. The vibes this year during summertime have been at their absolute strongest. I've never felt summertime this strong. It's been interesting to say quite the least, you know? Fucking A, bro. But this market, it's been the most depressing market, dude. I've actually been enjoying the summertime, you know? Even with the fucking trash weather. I have been enjoying it. But the stock market, bro, when it's like this, I'm not enjoying this, bro. You know, like it's not so bad to just, if you guys, I'm telling you, there's certain periods of the day, the sun, it feels like fucking, you know, it feels like anime fucking characters, like fucking supernova, bro. It's at a rare time of day, usually towards the fucking, when the sun is getting ready to set. Usually towards like 7 p.m. There's certain windows where the sun has never felt that way before. It's amazing. But during the day, oh my god, it's fucking wicked. But bro, I've been finding ways to enjoy the summer, but looking at the stock market, I haven't found really any ways to enjoy this. It's been a big disappointment. You know, it really has. Even to make money in it, it's been a disappointment. It's been the most trash market I've ever fucking seen, bro. Look at this. This is like, dude, this is like the paint is dry and you're just fucking waiting for the smell to go away. That's how bad it is. It's not even watching paint dry. It's like, no, the paint is fucking dry, just waiting for the fucking scent to go away. You know what I mean? Like, this is a bad market, bro. This is a fucking, you know, this just like, the fact that it goes from 0 to 100 that quick, dude, this was literally at the lowest level. It went fucking supernova, and then it just died. This went from 0 to 100 back to 0 at the speed of light. And then there's going to be a 23-hour market. Bro, people are going to get fucking destroyed. I'm telling you, if they don't have the right guidance, they're going to get fucking destroyed, dude. They're going to get absolutely fucking cooked. 100%. They're going to get fucking cooked, dude. Like, this is fucking horrible, dude. The summertime, it's fucking destroying everyone. The DoorDashers, they're always late. They take forever to show up. You know, everything just takes longer. Everything's slower. Like, man, the fuck happened? Fucking summer changed my whole life. You know, I don't see how it's changing it for the better. Like, fucking hell, dude. Man, it's just fucking shit, bro. This is fucking degenerate. Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking degenerate. I'm really disappointed, guys. I'm very upset. I'm really disappointed. You know, like, fucking, dude. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Like, guys, we're in the type of market where, bro, all you gotta do is this. Set a price alert right here. Set a price alert right here. And then just walk the fuck away. Accept your fate. That's what I would say, bro. That's the market we're in. Unless you want to sit here and say, you know what, it's going to go higher. I'm just going to cut the trade. Usually people who do that, they're sizing in too big. You know, you can hold the trade to an extent. In this market, literally, we literally have to hold, bro. The scalps are too small of W's. Unless we're going to make 1 million fucking scalps a day at the best fucking level, 6 degenerate. Fuck, we're in a degenerate market. They killed the whole market. They said summertime will kill the whole market. You know what I mean? Fucking. It could be worse, guys. We could be trading fucking penny stocks during the summertime market. Like, fuck, dude. I might have to start looking into something else to trade with how degenerate this shit is. Fucking A, man. Guys, how are the meme stocks doing? You know, if everyone loves far out of the money options, isn't the most logical move then to get into the meme market? Because don't the memes have the biggest gains? Don't memes have bigger gains than far out of the money options? You know, so if someone could figure out the meme market, I feel like everyone with far out of the money would love trading the fucking crypto memes. Because don't they have the biggest gains? I see people saying, you know, they put in $1,000, it goes to fucking 100K. You know, I'm sure their fucking win rates are fucking trash, but like, don't those have the biggest gains? The fucking memes, you know? Isn't the order memes far out of the monies? Don't the memes have the fucking... Don't they have the biggest potential? You know, when it comes to the gains? I'm pretty sure the crypto memes have the biggest potential. You know? But with the amount of fucking bullshit and scams and fees and all that, you know what I mean? Like, fuck, but they do say the biggest gains in the market are in the crypto memes. That's what they say, you know? Fuck, bro, we might have to start trading something else. I can't do this. This is degenerate, man. I'm really disappointed. Fucking A, bro. Bro, I might have to retire. Guys. I might just go full-time with the fucking just other shit, bro. I might retire. I might have to retire for a month or two, dude. I don't know. This is just too degenerate, you know? I look at the market every day. I'm like, this is trash, you know? I might have to do something else, man. This just isn't it right now. This just doesn't fuck. I like to be in something that fucks. When something doesn't fuck, you know, I don't like to sit here and stop fucking. I like to do something else and fuck that way. Like, this just isn't fucking for me, you know? Fuck, man. I'm disappointed. I really am. You know, this is a big disappointment. Fuck, man. Like... Bro, SPY can go fuck itself. All this shit does is waste time, drain energy. Bro, fuck SPY. Fuck the summertime. You know? We could sit here and say it's not SPY's problem. It's our problem. We're the ones trading it, you know? As humans, we could set a price alert here, set a price alert here, do something else with our lives, and carry the fuck on. We could do it. You know, not all of us have to sit here and just witness how degenerate this is. You know, we could just say, you know what? No matter what happens, we're going to hold this trade, set an alert here, walk the fuck away into fucking, you know, we could do it. We can all make that. It's systems, motherfuckers. Like, bro, I'm sitting here live streaming. I'm saying, dude, this is degenerate. Fuck. Like, man, fucking... This is not making trading looking good. This is making trading look like fucking shit. Fucking trash of a fucking... Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, we might have days where people can't scalp or can't hold.
fuck, man, this market might turn into you can't even fucking trade. What are they gonna do? Fucking micro fucking Scott? What the fuck are they gonna do? Fucking hell, bro. I've had enough of this. I'm sitting here saying, bro, what am I gonna? I'm gonna have to fucking set price alerts and not even watch this fucking bullshit. Fucking hell, dude. It's been 40 fucking minutes. My fucking the DoorDasher, he can't even make it. What the fuck, man? Fucking hell, bro. I don't know what the fuck happened. Shit said fucking 30 minutes, been 40 fucking 5 minutes, man. Motherfucker can't even... These motherfuckers are probably dying in the heat, dude. I feel fucking bad, bro. I feel fucking bad, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Damn. Motherfuckers are probably dying in the fucking heat. Fuck, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Damn, dude. This is fucking insane, dude. This is fucking insane, man. Everything is just slow and degenerate, bro. Everything. Fuck, I go outside, nobody goes outside anymore. What is everyone doing? Are they just fucking burning on a beach? Going on, what are they doing? All on a fucking yacht? They're just burning on a fucking, like, man, what the fuck, bro? Like, I'm adapting to this summer life. I'm not used to this fucking bullshit, bro. Like, I like coming out during the nighttime. I don't like this fucking day shit. You know what I mean? Fuck the summertime. You know, there's that song. They call it Summertime Sadness. You know what I mean? Like, fuck the summer, bro. There has been some good vibes, but the weather has been atrocious. I'm enjoying some of the summer vibes, but the weather has been atrocious, bro. It really has. Like, not for me, dude. I'm on, like, some fucking vampire shit. Like, I'm not on this whole, like fucking... But no, I am on the 7 p.m. peak supernova. Oh my god, bro. The sun, it feels like a fucking anime. I feel like I'm a fucking anime fucking character in that shit. But other than that, it's just been trash, dude. It's been fucking trash. What the fuck, dude? Did the weather just change again? Are you fucking kidding? Bro, is it about to... Oh my god, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, this could be a sign that the big move is coming, bro. I could take it as a sign. Bro, a thunderstorm is coming. Oh my god. Dude, out of fucking nowhere, a thunderstorm is coming, bro. This is... Heat advisory. These conditions might last until fucking... Bro, we have a fucking heat warning... And then I hear a fucking thunder, and now it's saying a fucking thunderstorm is coming for the next couple hours. What the fuck? Man, bro, summer is on... Dude, this is fucking degenerate. Someone out there is shifting the weather. It was just 100 fucking degrees outside, and now we're gonna have a fucking thunderstorm for 2 hours. And the only way I knew that was coming, bro, I fucking heard it. I hear it echoing. I hear the fucking lightning coming, bro. And I look outside and now it's all dark and fucking gloomy, bro. What the fuck? And now the market's picking up. Guys, I'm gonna take this as a sign that we're gonna get a big move. You know, they say a thunderstorm is coming, so look, bro, we're just gonna trade the weather at this point. We're gonna trade the weather and we're gonna sit here and say, you know, thunderstorm's gonna be here for the next 2 hours, maybe things will start to pick up. That's what we're going to say. You know, maybe my DoorDasher, he'll finally make it. You know? Fucking hell, bro. This has been brutal. This has been absolutely brutal, dude. Like, fuck. Dude, they're about to have a fucking thunderstorm. Maybe I should go outside now and fucking enjoy that while it lasts. Fucking shit, bro. Bro, as soon as this fucking DoorDasher gets here, I'm probably just going to go outside. You know what I mean? Like, this is just so degenerate. Like, I'm looking at the weather. I'm saying the weather's going to be trash all day. Hopefully this helps it make it better. Dude, literally the only time I can go outside today might be now. Like, fuck, I don't want to go outside when it's fucking humid and fucking trash and shit. Like, fuck, man. Guys, I might have to go outside soon. But I want this person to show up first, you know? Like, man, I just ordered a bunch of shit. Like, what the fuck is happening, bro? Dude, are you fucking kidding? Dude, I don't know what the fuck happened. This is fucking crazy. Bro, what the fuck is... Dude, they say this guy's a top-rated shopper? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? This shit is saying another 40 minutes. What the fuck happened? I ordered this shit a fucking hour ago almost. What the fuck happened, bro? Dude, I don't know what the fuck is going on. This motherfucker's on a... Dude, I don't even know if I want that shit. Fuck, what if it's like shows up fucking bad? Fucking hell, bro. It's been like it's gonna be 2 fucking hours by then. I don't even know if I could trust that shit by then. Fucking... Bro, this whole day has just been fucked up, dude. I don't know. How does an order go from 20 minutes to 2 fucking hours? Like, what the fuck is going on, bro? The order goes from 20 minutes to 2 hours. The weather goes from 100 degrees to fucking thunderstorm. Spy goes from fucking... Dude. The only ethical... Bro, to be in the modern world nowadays, it's like you have to be a superhero. You really do. You guys, you can't even... Like, you have to be a superhero to be alive nowadays. That's the only way to make logical sense of what the fuck is going on. You guys have to be fucking superheroes, you know? The highest fucking vibes, highest vibrations, highest fucking auras, bro. My whole day is just getting fucked. I'm holding this bullshit. The order went from 20 minutes to 2 hours. By the time it gets here, bro, I don't even know if I'm gonna trust. I don't even know if I'm gonna trust that. I might just throw it away. Like, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Like, fuck, I'm gonna have to evaluate that shit. I don't know if I could trust that. And now the only time I can go outside during the day might be now because there's a thunderstorm. Like, dude, what the fuck is even life anymore? You know? Like, what the fuck happened, man? Like, man, bro, this is crazy, man. The only way to be alive these days is just to be a superhero. Like, fucking, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, fucking hell, bro. Fucking degenerate fucking shit, bro. Man, bro, I ordered some good shit. I was gonna have that, go outside for a little bit, and it went from 20 minutes to 2 hours. You know what I mean, bro? Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell, bro. I might have to start getting my own shit. If it's gonna be this bad, I might have to just leave my house and get my own shit. It's just, bro, to go into a store? Who the fuck goes into stores when it's 2026? You know what I mean? The time it takes to go to the store, and then I gotta be around all these people I don't fuck with, and then I gotta feel everyone's fucking energy, you know, in eye contact with random fucking... Who the fuck wants to go to a store these days, bro? You know, there might be some weird fucking smells, weird fucking people, you know, who the fuck wants to deal with this shit? You know what I mean, bro? I don't want to go to a store. I'm gonna go to a store, I'm gonna say, dude, my frequency is at a fucking trillion, and then everyone around me in the store, I'm gonna say, bro, nobody's on my frequency. The store isn't on my frequency. You know what I mean? This is why I like to order shit. Because, dude, it's hard to achieve this, man. If I go to some normal place, I'm gonna be like, bro, these are some low vibes. These are some low vibes, bro. Dude, I went to a store. I had no other choice. I had to go to a store the other day. Bro, million fucking people online, bro. Million people in line, bro. This shit is fucking crazy, bro. Million people in line. I walked right the fuck out. I'm like, bro, that's not normal. I'm saying, how is someone waiting that long? And motherfuckers, bro, I went to another store. They have the fucking case of all the tech locked up. I'm sitting here saying, bro, if I want to get this item, I have to fucking get customer service. One customer service person. There's a line to get the person. Like, what the fuck, bro? I walked right the fuck out. Like, nobody knows how to do business these days. And the good businesses, bro, this is fucked. The good businesses or the shit businesses, they're all fucking flooded. The good businesses, too many people are fucking going. The lines are out the door. The shit businesses are all flooded because everyone's fucking broke. They can't afford to go anywhere else. Fucking hell, bro. Like, there's no winning in this modern day world. There really is, bro. It's like, fuck. I can't even win right now ordering something. I'm trying to order something. It's been a fucking hour. This shit said 20 minutes. You know? Like, what the fuck? What do I get for all that extra time? I get a shittier fucking service. You know, they don't credit me back or give me a fucking refund or anything. Fucking hell. This shit might show up. I might not even want it. I might sit here and say, bro, what the fuck happened? This shit got mutated. The fuck? I'm not gonna have that. This shit got fucking mutated. Motherfuckers, bro. I can't order shit, dude. I ordered fucking ice cream and fucking frozen yogurt the other day. This shit literally showed up melted. And nobody said a word, bro. Nobody said a word. They just dropped that shit off fucking melted, bro. I'm sitting here saying, dude, there's no winning, bro. There's just no winning. Man, I gotta fucking go everywhere. I go somewhere, the line's too long. I don't want to deal, bro. I'm not gonna wait 30 fucking minutes to get. There's no way. I'm not gonna do it, bro. And what can happen in that 30 minutes with my energy? Fuck that. You know what I mean? There's just no way, bro. Look at this, bro. I'm waiting hours for something that might not even happen. Fuck, bro. This fucking DoorDasher, he might not even make it. They might just cancel the order, bro. They might say, you know what? It's been 2 hours. He tried. He couldn't make it. So you're saying, what the fuck happened to him? Bro, what the fuck happened to this motherfucker? Man, this is insane, bro. How does something go from 20 minutes? Oh my god. Bro, the time isn't even moving. It's fucking stuck. Dude, this is very concerning, man. This motherfucker, he hasn't even moved on the map. This is crazy, bro. I looked at, it says delivery in progress. He's still in the same spot, bro. I don't know what the fuck. Dude, his car might have broken down or some shit. I don't know, man. I'm very concerned. Like, fucking... Dude, I might just have to do another order, and then that one will show up before this one, and then I'll just trash the other one. Man, fucking... Oh my gosh, dude. What a day, bro. They say a thunderstorm is coming. It's not even raining. It's not even fucking raining. It's just thunder, bro. It says it's supposed to rain. There's no fucking rain. It's just thunder. Dude, we're on... This world is fucked. Everything is fucked, guys. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the vibes. Enjoy the energy. Enjoy the auras. Because, bro, a lot of the things in the world these days, bro, it's all fucked. The whole world is fucked up. Fucking shit, bro. Man, fucking L fucking... Like, what am I supposed to tell them about the market? Alright, guys, the market's going up. It's going... You know what I mean? This was another reason why I didn't stream. Because I'm like, dude, this is just shit. What am I supposed to do? Fucking... Man, there's just nothing to do. Man, bro, summertime is L's. Fuck you. Fuck the summer, bro. This is fucking trash, man. This shit is fucking... Nothing but fucking heartbreaks, dude. I swear, nothing but fucking heartbreaks. You know, summer comes around... It's nothing but fucking heartbreaks, man. It's fucking trash. Summer is fucking garbage. It really is. This is the most degenerate fucking... Bro, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. Fucking... Damn, bro. Fucking trash, dude. Fucking trash, dude. I'm disappointed, man. I ordered all this good shit. Bro, they bumped the time by 1 minute. How the fuck does that even happen? What has to happen for the time to go up 1 more minute? The fucking audacity, bro. Like, for reals, what has happened for the time to go up 1 more minute? Bro, fucking hell, bro. I'm gonna have to cancel this order and just reorder, bro. I don't fucking trust this shit showing up that late. Like, fuck that, bro. Damn, this shit got me fucked up, bro. Fucking degenerate, man. Fucking 2 hours for that? Dude, that shit could be sitting in that car, human, like, I don't know what the fuck is going on, you know? I'm just gonna cancel this fucking shit, man. Fucking hell. Damn, dude, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, man. The fuck, bro? Fucking bullshit, man. What the fuck? Man, what the fuck happened? Bro, there's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. Fuck them, bro. Fucking cancel it. Fuck those motherfuckers, dude. Dude, I just don't know, bro. I just don't know, man. Summertime, fucked. This makes no fucking sense. It's 100 degrees outside. Now it's fucking storming. The DoorDasher can't even show up. Spy just dies. Like, dude, everything is just trash. Like, fucking hell, bro. Fucking trash fucking day, bro. Fucking, you have to wait fucking 4 hours just to make some fucking profit in this market. So wait 2 hours for something to show up. Fucking hell, man. Fucking shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. This fucking market is fucking trash, bro. Fucking trash, bro. Dude, moral of the fucking story. Green, red, green, red. Where's the move, bro? Does anyone know where the move went? Does anyone know? I would love to know, bro. If you guys have the indicator that shows you when the moves disappear, bro, I would love to know, bro. I would love to know. You know? I would love to know, bro. Like, what is the indicator? Does anyone know the indicator of like, all right, guys, it's 100 degrees outside, and then last minute there's gonna be a thunderstorm and it's gonna last for an hour. Someone is clearly fucking shifting the weather. You know, someone out there is clearly shifting the weather. How is someone supposed to predict that? Something happened in life and the weather shifted. You know, that's the only logical explanation. Like, the fuck? You know, the fucking weatherman is saying, oh, it's 100 degrees all day. And then all of a sudden, the blue moon, thunderstorm for an hour. Someone shifted the weather, bro. Someone out there shifted that shit. Fucking A. Someone did something and they fucked the weather. That's what happened. Look at this. Like the same. How does that make sense? Oh, now it's going lower, guys. It went lower. Now it's gonna. That's gonna. Guys, it's going lower. Now it's gonna crash. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? That's just like the weather. You know? It was supposed to be hot all day. And now it's fucking nothing but lightning and fucking thunder. Bro, I'm gonna have to go outside, bro. There's nothing better in this fucking world than thunder, dude. Oh my gosh, guys, walk around at night, get in one of those fucking flash, when it just flashes 24/7, bro. Oh my gosh, it's the most fun fucking thing, dude. Yes, see, it agrees with me. It fucking agrees with me. You see that, bro? It's fucking, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Bro, it agrees with me. It agrees with me. See what I'm saying, bro? That's literally... I would rather walk around pitch dark at night with a million fucking lightning strikes than walk around in 100-degree weather, bro. That's just me. I'd rather be in the fucking Thor fucking hammer lightning strikes than the fucking humid fucking desert. You know? Look, I'm all for a humid desert, but not 24/7. You know? I'm more for the... I'll go to the desert. You know what I mean? Like, you guys know, like, the rapper in the music video, he just visits the desert for the video. You know what I mean? He doesn't stay there 24/7. I'm all for it. I'm all for that existing. I just don't want to be in it 24/7. That's why I just don't... You know, the summer... Oh, man, bro. It's just not the move. Unless someone's really about that summer life. You know? Unless they're really about that outdoors life and just... You know what I mean? I mean, usually those... You don't need a lot of money to enjoy that. Like, fuck, man. If you have the right fucking people around you, you can have a fucking ball on that shit. But, bro, I never liked the weather to begin with. I was never a summer type of person, you know? There is some good vibes in it. Oh, now they're saying it's gonna rain for another hour. Did the fucking weatherman predict that? You know, what good is the weatherman? Is there a weatherman that scalps the weather? Does anyone know that? Is there a weatherman that scalps the weather? You know, we got the weatherman, they show up at a specific time, they say this is what the weather's gonna be. What about right now? It keeps on changing. It said it was supposed to be sunny. Now it's saying it's gonna be another hour. You know what happened? What's fucking good? Bro, shout out to all the thunder. You know what? Maybe the trade will start to drop when it starts raining. It's been nothing but thunder and lightning, so maybe when it starts raining, it's gonna drop. Maybe that's how this works.
I'm a celebration, make the right diamonds, fuck segregation, pop that shit, my money up, you niggas just running up, young money shit, and you niggas just running up, I don't feel like I'm enough, so I'ma keep on running shit, let's watch it, all your doing fish. If you don't understand me, had my heart broken by this woman named Tammy. But hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame Tammy. Just talk to moms, told her she the sweetest. I beat the beat up, call herself beefers. Swear I be seeing through these niggas like secrets. Niggas think they heathen, pow beating. Talking to myself because I am my own consultant. Married to the money, fuck the world, that's adultery. You full of shit, you close your mouth and let your ass talk. Young money eating, all you haters do is ass off. Stop playing, bitch, I got this game
Woman of my dreams, I don't see so I can't find her. You niggas are gelatin, peanuts to my elephant. I got through that sentence like a subject and a predicate. Yeah, with a swag you would kill for. Money too strong, like it's on bodybuilder. Jumped in a wishing well, now wish me well. Tell her kiss my ass, call her kiss and tell. Yeah, word to my mama, I'm out of my llama bean. Don't wanna see what that drama mean. Get some drama mean, llama scream. Hotter than summer sun on a Donna Queen. Now all I want is hits, bitch, wings on the fiend. I play the side, fake niggas just trying to front and see. Son of gun, son of Sam, you niggas the son of me. Pause for this dumb speech, I blow like Buddha. Disturb me, and you'll be all over the floor like Luda. Bitch, I feel like scuba, bitch, I roll like Cuba. And I keep a killer hoe, she gon' blow right through ya. I be nagging about my second amount, I'm cat like a mover. Shout the right chick from back, and I don't back my shooter. Niggas think they high as I can laugh at your ruler. Cash money cold, bitch, but I actions is cooler. Wait, these niggas out of their mind, and told these fuck me some other times. I keep them bucks to be on my mind, so these I fuck these on your mind. Pause, to feed them on my mind, get a little luck, keep on my side, in the middle, get my piece on my side, cause ain't no peace on my side. Bitch, I'm a man, I visit urinals with bride. Team tell me to, I'm shooting in the funeral outside. I'm uptown, thoroughbred BX, nigga, you heard gunna.
Bro, trash market, bro. Trash fucking hell market, bro. Oh my god, bro. Patience for what?
I wanna be a slave, I wanna be a master. I wanna make your heart beat run like roller coaster. I wanna be a trip boy, I wanna be a gangster. Cause you could be the beauty and I could be the monster. I love you since this morning, no, just go a static. I wanna touch your body so fucking electric. I know you're scared of me, you say that I'm eccentric. I'm crying on my tears and that's fucking offensive. I wanna make your hungry thing, I wanna eat ya. I wanna get your face like gold, I wanna Lisa. I wanna be a champion, I wanna be a loser. I'll even be a clown cause I just wanna meet you. I wanna be a sister, I wanna be a teacher. I wanna be a singer, I wanna be a preacher. I wanna be a lovely thing, I wanna leave ya. Cause baby, I'm your that big bad, you're my delight. Because I'm the devil, who's searching for redemption. And I'm hallelujah, who's searching for redemption. And I'm healer, who's searching for redemption. I'm the fucking monster, who's searching for redemption. And I'm bad guy, who's searching for redemption. And I'm longer, who's searching for redemption. And I'm freedom, who's searching for redemption. I'm the fucking monster, who's searching for redemption.
Black on the whiskey, Virginia black on me tipsy. I'm in LA like I'm Nipsey. Spanish girls wanna kiss me, a nigga wanna come and diss me. They put a hacks like a gypsy, they kill themselves on my wrist bleed. Got suicides on my SV. She do it all with a Fendi, she do it all with a Gucci. Baby girl wanna choose me, she wanna use and abuse me. I know she wanna text me, I know she wanna sex me. 50 stars make a bed freeze, fuck her once like let's please. My nigga would've thought, my nigga would've thought now. I'll be right back to the top, I'll be right back to the top now. I got your girl on my finger, blow on my phone when she's single, blow on my phone like I'm single. Somebody need to go get her with the curve, I know you don't deserve it, know you don't deserve it. I got that work, got to work. I know you want the Birkin, baby, are you worth it? With the curve, I know you don't deserve it, know you don't deserve it. I got that word, I need to know for certain. Tell me, are you worth it?
A star was born last night. When you showed out on that dick, girl, you performed last night. That's why you deserve that first class flight. Goodbye, cause I just put your thirst last night. I'm in Dubai. Somebody tell the prince that the keeping has arrived. like a model, but a devil in disguise. Bum, 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 I feel like Rocky in his prime. You know you came to fuck, so why the fuck we wasting time? I got that kind of wood that make a woman lose her mind. I'm young, rich and handsome, baby, you one of a kind. Just keep it real with me, baby, it won't cost you a dime. I know you got expensive taste and I don't mean to lie.
I know you don't deserve it. No, you don't deserve it. Got that work, I know you want the Birkin. Baby, are you worth it? With the curve, I know you don't deserve it. No, you don't deserve it. Got that work, I need to know for certain. Tell me, are you worth it?
We're gonna schedule one song only.
So I'm going so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. The first nigga gotta find me. What city you at to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Going so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit fade. The next to go, 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Going so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Going so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm libo, go Michael. Take a pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Going so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Hidden behind all these big rocks. Walk on so hard, I'm shot too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You be in Paris, get fucked up too. Walk on so hard, that shit faded. Live with these for like 6 days. Gold bottles, soul models, still an ace on my sick days. So fall so hard, bitch behave. Just might let you meet gay. Shot towns, B-rolls, moving the next BK. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit great. That shit great. That shit great. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit great. That shit great. That shit great. She said, can we get married at the mall? I said, look, you need to cry for your bar. Come and meet me in the bathroom style and show me why you deserve to have it all. Fall so hard, that shit crack. That shit crack. NJ, fall so hard. What she order? What she order? Fish fillet. Fall so hard. Yo, it's so cold. So cold. It's so bang. Fall so hard. Act like you ever be around motherfuckers like this again. G girl, grab her hand. Fuck that bitch, she don't wanna dance. She's my friend, but I'm in France. I'm just saying, Chris Williams ain't doing right.
Oh my fucking gosh, bro. It does not get more degenerate than this chart. This chart is all-time peak degenerate. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck happened to the market? Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking summertime is what happened, bro. What the fuck, dude? Dude, I spoke it into existence, bro. I literally said yesterday, the next thing they're gonna do, they're not even gonna have a big move, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Fucking here we are, bro. Here we are. What happened to the big moves? Bro, they don't even give scalps anymore. Man, these motherfuckers don't even give scalps anymore, bro. I don't know what the fuck. Dude, options is dangerous as fuck right now. Bro, I did futures. Dude, I'm sitting here looking at this shit saying, bro, how the what am I, you know what I mean? The fuck? This fucking market. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck happened to it? Shit is crazy. Look at this bullshit, bro. What the fuck am I even in right now? Look at this trash. Fucking garbage. Fucking, oh my god, bro. Damn, bro. Disappointed, bro. Disappointed. Fuck. Oh my gosh, dude. If this can just get here. Man. If this can just get here. That would be amazing. You know? Fucking shit, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This fucking shit, bro. Fucking shit, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. It's a good fucking song, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. No, fuck this song, bro. Oh my gosh, what is a good fucking song, bro. Bro. trying to find a good song, man. Fucking shit. What is this? Interesting. Nice. That's a nice one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude. L Market, bro. L Market, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. I might as well never stream again with this bullshit. This is fucking cool, bro. This is like so insane, bro. Like, I'm used to winning. I'm not used to this, man. Like, I'm just not. I'm used to showing up and winning. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? You guys know how hard it is? Bro, there's certain people in this world, they're like the life of the fucking party, bro. They're like the, you know, you could put them in the darkest room. They're the lightest people, you know what I mean? They have the brightest light, right? You know how hard it is to be one of those people? And then you're just in an environment that's shit, you know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, bro, what am I supposed to do? Like, fuck. Man, like, the only light in this is to not show up. Fucking hell, bro. Damn. Man, it's pissing me the fuck off, bro. Damn, bro. It's like the life of the party, but there's no fucking party. What the fuck? What is the point of being the life of the party if there's no party? You know what I mean? Like, fucking. Damn. Where the fuck is the party? It's certainly not here. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. This fucking market is a fucking hell. Breaking dishes. Yeah, we're playing breaking dishes, bro. Oh, we're playing breaking dishes in this motherfucker, bro. We should start breaking dishes, bro. Let's just start breaking dishes, bro. Yeah, fuck it. Breaking dishes it is. Yeah, 100%, bro. Fuck it. Breaking dishes. We've gone to this point, guys. We hit a new level. Breaking dishes, bro. Fucking dude, my food never got here, bro. It never showed up. Oh my god, bro. It's never showed up. No show. Dude, the rain didn't show up. They said it was supposed to rain. That never showed up. They said the food was supposed to get here. That never came. Fucking. Oh my god, bro. Breaking dishes. Fuck it, bro. Breaking dishes, bro. Bro, taking names. Whoever's responsible for this, taking names, bro. Bro, I'm gonna fight. Yes, fight. Yeah. Oh my god. Bro. We need to fight. Yeah. Whoever's responsible. Yep. 100%. Bro, I'm still waiting. Still waiting, bro. Oh my god. Man, this is some tough times, bro. Tough times. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, all of my orders are getting delayed. It's not even fucking raining, bro. Were they allergic to fucking thunder? What the fuck happened, dude? This just got delayed another 45 minutes, bro. What the fuck? Dude, I can't even order food. I can't even trust food these days, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. Damn, bro. It's fucking crazy, bro. Bro, what do you mean you started my order? I ordered this like 15 minutes ago. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. Man, I must live in the fucking desert, bro. I guess everyone quit their 9 to 5 or something. I don't know what happened, bro. Damn, bro, this song is actually hitting me. Bro, shout out to Rihanna, bro. She's the only one. Rihanna's the only one. We played a Rihanna song. It fucking crashed. The only one, bro. The only one. Fuck. Oh my god, bro. Fucking bro. Bro, take it to 0. Break all the dishes. Take it to 0. Take it to 0. Fuck it. Fuck it. Yes. Wow. W song.
Finally something that makes sense, bro. Finally. Oh my gosh. Finally something, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright guys, look, man. Big moves are not guaranteed, alright? If you guys want to sit here and trust that the degenerate market is actually going to have a bigger move, you know, look guys, there's going to be days, they rarely happen, but bro, there's going to be days, yes, drowning. There's going to be days where the market doesn't have a big move, alright? So look, if you're holding, you're saying it's going to have a bigger move. If you're taking profits, you're saying, you know what, this is degenerate, I'm going to lock in gains. So look, guys, look. I'm going to take 60%. I'm going to take 60% here. I'm going to take 60% here, and then I'm going to hold 40%. And if you guys want to take some, you can just take some here, or you could set a profit stop, bro. You could set a profit stop up here. It could just keep on dropping. See what I'm saying? But bro, look, I'm gonna take off 60% here. All right? Gosh, bro, money, it's such a useful thing to have. My fucking DoorDasher can't even show up. This piece of paper is such a useful thing to have. People, no, they're not useful at all. Fucking money, it's the useful thing. Yeah, it's definitely the money. Fucking, the guy can't even show up. Fucking, this paper is fucking useless. Oh my goodness. Alright, so guys, look. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fucking get out. Boom. Sold 60%. I got 40% left. Alright? You guys manage the 130-year position. You manage that how you want to manage it. Set a profit stop. Trim into big moves. So like I said, bro, if you're holding here, you're basically saying the market's going to have a big move. It usually has at least one big move, right? There's going to be some days, well, apparently, summertime fucking sadness, there's no big moves. So this could be the biggest move we get all day, bro. Oh my gosh. If there's one thing we've learned, when the market is trash, the best course of action is to short it. Oh my fucking goodness, bro. I'm telling you, dude. I tried buying this shit yesterday. I'm like, bro, this is trash. Fuck this market. If it's fuck this market, short it. That's what I would say, bro. If there's one thing we learned, if it's fuck the market, short it. Oh my goodness, guys. If the market is trash, the best course of action is to fucking short it, bro. Holy shit, man. Fucking. We waited forever, bro. For fucking ever, dude. Fuck. Played a Rihanna song. It finally crashed. Now we know, bro. Now we know. Out of all the artists, now we know. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, man, bro. Now we fucking know, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, we're still holding some, bro. You know, we're still holding some size. Since we're still holding some, bro, you know, they better have our money. 100%. We're still holding some, so fuck it. They better have our money, bro. They better have our money, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, they better have our motherfucking money, bro.
Give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah blah blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Kamikaze, everything that you gon' left me out the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like blah blah blah. Pay me what you want. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my, bitch better have my, bitch better have my, bitch better have my, bitch better have my money. Not to Rihanna while the whole the fucking wasted. Every time I drop, I am the only thing y'all play. Yeah, in a drop top, 200 y'all in my rearview mirror racing. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Like Louis 13 and it's
Oh my gosh, bro. Here we go again. Oh fuck. Here we go. Oh fucks. Here we fucking go again, bro. Oh my gosh. Here we go again, bro. Fucking A. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, this market is cooked, bro. Fucking cooked ass fucking market, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This fucking market is fucking cooked, bro. Fucking cooked, bro. Fucking cooked, bro. Damn, bro. Fucking cooked ass market this is. Oh my gosh, bro. Yes, just fucking send this off of a fucking cliff, bro. Send this off of a fucking cliff, bro. Bro, send this off of a fucking cliff, bro.
City they meant to conquer.
Yes, bro. Send it off the fucking cliff. Oh my god. Drop some more. Drop some more. Oh, we could play that one. We could play the drop some more song. Play that one too. Dude, I'm doing everything I can, bro. This shit needs to drop. Bro, where the fuck? Should we play some drop some more? Drops. Or I could play throw some more. I'll play throw some more. What's that? We could play some throw some more. We could play throw some more after this.
You make a mouth for me so dance to. Say my money no good.
What the fuck, bro? Bro, what the fuck? I did not change that. Oh my fucking gosh, dude. What was that fucking song called? Oh my fucking gosh, bro. I did not fucking change that fucking song, bro.
You make a mouth for me so dance to.
We could play throw song.
Say my money no good in here, even though I didn't ask you. It's the most you've worked, even though I probably don't deserve this girl. But you've been dreaming for this moment, so you have to. It's okay, I got so many with it. I wanna show you how I feel money with it. I wanna show you how I feel money, baby. I'm a kid, so it's hard for me to hold money, baby. Why? 'Cause I'm a star. Don't get it twisted, got some trappers in my car. What kind of caps I got the blindness of the mall? Somebody pop them before we pop them on. Before we pop them on. This ain't nothing, but it's all I need. And the beat can't reach till the beat gets hard to see. And it feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. I get it fall. I ain't scared of the fall. I ain't scared of the fall. I ain't scared of the fall. I've hit the ground before. 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 I ain't scared of the fall. Mama, I understand what I'm at, and it hurts inside what I am and how I live and what I do. Been good since Thursday. Yes, I've been good since Thursday. So you can make sure I'm fresh and I'm going all the time. It's a great when I vanish, I'm afraid for my friend and my feelings and it's no sense. I'm never make a sense. I'm always with the same, but it's really when it's time for my pain for the peace. My confidence and sense, feeling like every day.
Oh my gosh, bro. Just throw some more props. Throw some more props. Throw some more props. Bro, we're gonna manifest this, bro. The more drops, the faster it goes, bro. Yes. Yes. Fucking drop some more, bro. Dude, I'm trying everything I can possibly do, bro.
Slim Jimmy, flood the club with paper. Shorty got an ass over now, some for later. Something like Nicki, that's your little lady. I'm blowing all this money, I'ma fuck around and buy it. I can flick the money all night till my wrist tired. If you put in work, this the night you gon' retire. You a bad bitch, I ain't even gon' deny you. She told me throw that money, I said make it work. I'm about to empty out the ATM. She doing tricks that make a nigga wanna spin. Girl, you know you got me fascinated. Just keep on dancing till I'm out of paper. Never. She on endo. Let me see you make it clap on tempo. Let me see you get low like low.
Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Dude, this is holding shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. GG's, bro. GG's. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Right back to her. Yeah, bro. Bro, we're gonna hold it to 0. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. It's fucking yeah. Fuck it, bro. We'll hold it, bro. Guys, don't worry. We're holding. No worries here, bro. We're holding it, bro. Don't worry, guys. Dude, I'm sick of it, bro. I'm just fed up. I'm just so fucking fed up. I'm fed up, bro. Every fucking time I aim bigger, look at what happens, bro. Every time, bro. At least I took some gains, bro. At least I took some gains, dude. This market's cooked, bro. Fucking, oh my gosh, dude. I'm trying everything I can, dude. Fucking hell, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Cooked. Dude, shout out to not trading options, bro. Shout out to not trading options today. Options can go fuck themselves today. Oh my god, bro. Fucking fed up this fucking trash fucking market, bro. Fucking fed up. Fucking fed up at all, bro. Fucking fed up, bro. Yes, fed up. Fucking fed up with this shit, bro. Bro, that song, you see guys, look, this is why you do not throw some more. You see, bro, look. Spy hit the lows, we played the song, throw some more, look. This is why you don't throw some more. This is why, bro. This is fucking why, bro. Fuck.
let's throw some more. Yeah, bro, we'll throw some more already. Throw some more into the fucking trash. Bro, where's that, bro? You know what? Where's that one song, bro? Bro, fuck it, bro. We're gonna play this song. Yes. You know what? I'll be back, guys. I'll be back in a minute. This song is sponsored by this. Stream is sponsored, yes. Fuck it. I'll be back.
So we took turns to stare out the window at the darkness. The boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see you're out of aces for a taste of whiskey. I'll give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bought a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when to hold up, know when to hold up, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count when the dealing's done. Every gambler knows the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out a cigarette, faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even. But in his final words, I found an ace that I could keep. You gotta know when to hold up, know when to hold up, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count when the dealing's done. You gotta know when to hold, when to hold, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count when the dealing's done. You gotta know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count when the dealing's done.
You look dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you. Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. Don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. I heard you got a new man, I see you taking a pic, then you boost it up, thinking that it's making me sick. I see you calling, I be making it quick. I'ma answer that shit like I don't fuck with you.
crazy bitch. I stuck to my guns, that's what made me rich. That's what put me on, that's what got me here, that's what made me this. And everything that I do is my first name. These hoes chase bread, aw damn, she got a bird brain. Ain't nothing but trilling me, aw man, silly me. I just bought a crib, 3 stories, that bitch a trilogy. And you know I'm rolling with it, sucking up the ozone. I got a bitch that text me, she ain't got no clothes on. And then another one text me, your ass next. And I'ma text your ass back like I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you. Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Got many things on my mind, executive deals on mine. Limited amount of time chasing these dollar signs. You ain't on your grind like a Friday up in the MGM casino in the deep. Fucking up fatty, I did a put on property. Turn the pay to the murder rate. My niggas put murder missions.
Oh my god, dude, it's like a fucking magic trick, bro. It's like a fucking magic trick. Would you look at that? It's fucking magic. Oh my god, bro. It's a fucking magic trick. Wow, look at that. What happened? What happened? What happened to all the games? Bro, what happened? Oh no. Oh no, what happened? Oh fuck, what is that? What is that? Oh fuck. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. You shoot for the fucking stars, and there's only one star left. Oh my goodness, bro. Holy shit. What the fuck? What happened, bro? It was bearish. What happened? I thought it was bearish. What happened? Oh my god, bro. What happened? What happened to all the profit? Where did it all go? Does anyone know where all the profit went? Does anybody know? Where did it all go? Where did all the profit go? Does anyone know? Where all the profit? What happened? Where did it all go? Oh no, what happened, bro? What happened? All we gotta do is just hold the trades, bro. Just hold the fucking trades, bro. What happened to all the profit? It disappeared. It's fucking magic, bro. I'm a motherfucking magician, bro. I disappeared and all the profit left with me. It all fucking disappeared. Oh my god. What the fuck happened, bro? Damn, bro. I thought this was supposed to go lower. What happened? Bro, thank God I did not do those options, bro. Oh my god, the market is cooking every fucking thing in every fucking one right now. Fuck this market. Oh my god, bro. I thought it was bearish. What happened? Oh no. No, now it's bearish, guys. It wasn't bearish at this low, guys. Now it's bearish. Oh, what happened, bro? What happened to all the profit? Where did it all go? Oh my god, bro. I'm just glad we took a lot of fucking gains at that low, bro. Fucking shit. Holy goodness, man. Bro, let's just fiend for more, bro. We'll just fiend for more. Fuck it. Fiends. Yes, fiend for more, bro. More trades, more holding, more money. Fiend for more. Fuck it. What happened, bro? I thought it was supposed to go lower. What happened? Oh my god.
I've been focused on the future, never run out. But I'm sipping that kombucha, you can become brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my god, that is great. When I write, in the night.
Oh my gosh, bro. What happened to all the profit? Where did it all go? Where did it all go? It disappeared, bro. All the gains disappeared. Look at that. Man, if we were holding options, dude, who the fuck? Dude, we would have got decayed, fucked, left, right. Oh, fuck. Fuck the options. Those are fucking disintegrated. Oh, fucking cool. Oh my god, bro. Shout out to futures. Dude, the only reason I'm green today is It's because futures exist. Holy shit, bro. If I did options, I would have got fucking slapped. Fuck that. Man. Motherfuckers, bro. God. Fuck this, bro. Yeah. Bro, drop some more, bro. Bro, you know what, bro? Fuck it. I might sell it all, dude. I might sell it all. Let me see. Guys, I'm selling it all. I'm selling it all. I'm selling everything right here. I sold fucking, you know, I sold a fuck ton at the lows. I'm selling the rest here. I'm getting out of this, bro. I'm staying green while I can. Fuck that. We just went green to red on the rest of your. Fuck that. I'm selling it. Alright, let's see. Let's get out of the rest. Yeah, bro, I better get out of this shit. This looks fucking horrible. Alright. I'm out. I'm out of the position. Alright, so there we go. So, sold at the exact lows. First trade. Second trade. Sold a little bit in the green. I'm completely out of the position, guys. I'm out. I tried my best to hold it. It's clearly didn't work, you know, so fuck that. Oh my god, bro. I'm not risking fucking... There's no way I'm risking more, bro. I had enough of that shit. Fuck that shit, you know? I was as patient as I could have possibly been, bro. You know? It's fucking... Fuck that. Look at that shit, bro. It said, oh yeah, it's gonna go lower. Wait a second. Oh my god, bro. Fuck that. So I'm out, bro. We sold half at the lows. We sold the rest there. I'm out. I'm out of the position. I'm completely out. I sold everything. The first sell was the best sell on the fucking planet. The second sell, at least we're green. At least we're fucking green, bro. The second sell was obviously trash, but, you know, if you want to hold for the bigger wins, well, you got to take the risk. Like I said, bro, you got to take the risk. If you want to aim big, well, sometimes there's nothing big to aim for. You know, sometimes the only thing to aim for is that. It is what it is, bro. I tried my absolute best, you know? If the market just wants to go straight up and not even allow people to manage their risk, well, you know the risk of holding. Don't we all? Don't we all know the risk of holding these fucking winners that turn into losers? Don't we all? You know? Fuck that. Fuck that.
She just started to pop it for a nigga and look back and tell me, baby, it's real, it's real.
Fuck this market, bro. Fucking L market. Fucking weak ass market. Bitch ass. Fucking cunt ass market. L market. Trash. Fucking trash. Yes. Trash market. Maybe she will.
Yeah. For the realest niggas in the fucking game right now. She will. Yeah.
But yeah, guys. We could have one more trade. If we go all the way back up yonder here, we're going to short the market. So, we could have one more trade. This is what I'm going to say, bro. It's as simple as this. If you want to know how I see the market, I say, fuck the big move. We tried our best, you know. This is what we're going to do. We're going to buy the lows for power hour, or we're going to short the peaks, you know? Now, if it's just sitting here in the middle, we're not going to do any fucking thing. So that's the game plan. If you guys want to know the game plan, and we're going to do this. This is going to be an amazing trade. So during power hour, if the market is right here in the middle, we're not going to do anything, you know? If the market goes all the way back up to the highs, we're going to short the market. If the market goes all the way back down to the lows, we're going to look to buy the market. That's the game plan. The only other trade is you make a trade here. As you can see, that's very challenging, you know? So basically, I think the market's going to close in the middle. And if you're asking me where I think this is going to close right now, I think it's going to close directly in the middle, right? So the most logical trade I can make is I can short it if it goes here, or I can buy it if it goes here. Other than that, you know, you're going to need a strong reason for this to go back down or back up. You know what I mean? So, bro, I already know the trade to make. I don't have to make another trade if this is going to go up or down, because I already fucking know if this goes up, it's going to go back down. If this goes down, it's going to go back up. So that's what I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the reversal. You watch. It's going to print. Just wait, man. So I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. There's going to be one more trade. I'm going to make the trade. You know? So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that. It can't just sit here in the middle forever. It's got to go up or down, and then when it does, we're going to play the reversal. That's what we're going to do. Fuck the big move. It's clearly not happening. You know? So all that's left is the reversal. We're going to play the reversal. If it goes too high, we're going to short it. When they go too high, we short. When they go too low, we buy. That's what we're going to do. Fuck the big move. The big move is gone. Fuck the big move. The big move is fucking disintegrated. It's red. So, the only reason I'm green today is because I traded futures. If I would have traded fucking options, I would have been decayed into fucks. Into ash. The only reason I'm fucking green is because I did the futures trade. That's why I'm green today. Fucking hell, bro. Market is fucking cooked, you know? It's not my fucking fault they want to give us a shit market. You know, if they give us a shit market, I might have to go futures. You know, I'm not going to do... If they're just going to decay me into ash, I'm not putting my money into something that's just going to decay me to fucks. I'm not going to do it. Like, fuck that. Fucking degenerate fucking price action, man. Bunch of fucking degenerate... You know? Fucking market, man. Oh my god, bro. This market is so fucking cooked, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. They need to make the market great again. Make it great again. You know? Like, fuck it. Make the market great again. You know? Make the market great again. Yes, make it great again, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. This shit is cooked. They cooked the whole market. Man, it's fucking cooked, bro. Cooked the whole market. They said, you want to trade? Alright, you better buy fucking futures today. That's what those motherfuckers said. This market is cooked, bro. It really is. To be green every single day, they're making it more challenging and more challenging. You know? It's like, literally, for someone to be green today, they had to hold. They had to fucking hold that shit. Fucking hell, bro. Scalps were too small. Fucking, there was finally a nice dub. We caught a nice one there. Held it longer, gave back half the profit. Fucking degenerate. You know? We gave back half the profit, bro. We secured half, and then we said, you know what? We're gonna hold for more gains, and then boom, all the fucking gains evaporated. Dude, if we had options, we would have been fucking cooked in that. My god, bro, we would have been fucking disintegrated, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Options need big wins for a reason. They don't work 24/7, you know? It's fucking crazy. This shit is cooked. We are in the most cooked market I've ever seen, bro. Everyone is getting cooked. Bro, the fact that I'm green today, man. Dude, I used my game plan. I tried to tell them. I'm like, bro, I said in the game plan I'm going to short the market. They know. They looked at the title. They saw the thumbnail. I told them, bro, I'm going head first in shorting this shit. I did it on futures and it worked, you know? If I would have done the options, dude, I would have gotten clapped. There's no fucking way I would have made money on that. That shit decayed for fucking hours. I would have paid two more because I would have paid too much. And then all the time holding would have evaporated the contract with these spikes. And then I would have barely made profit at best. And then when this spike comes in, it would have all been gone. I wouldn't have even been green. It would have said, poof, it would have just disappeared. It would have evaporated. Fucking options, man. Options are motherfuckers, man. Fucking shit, bro. I mean, options gave me the fucking... Options give you options. They gave me the options to trade futures, you know? Shout out to options for giving me the options to trade some fucking futures. Holy shit. This market is fucking degenerate, bro. So I'm being patient for hours. I'm sitting here saying, bro, it's not gonna happen. I learned. It had a big spike. I woke up, guys. I woke up. It had a big spike. I said, well, it's time to wake up. It's not gonna happen. There's no big move is gonna happen. It's over. There's no big move. I woke up. I held it. It went to the lows. I sold half. And then I woke up and I said, you know what? It's not going to happen. Let's just play the reversals. We'll short right here or we'll buy right here. This whole idea of a big move, bro, it's just not going to happen. They're not going to do it. It's just not going to happen, bro. I don't believe in the big move today. I was a believer. It cost me some games. That really pissed me the fuck off. You know? So I exited my position because I'm sitting here saying, bro, I ain't going to go green to red and get back the gains that I just made holding this shit. You know? So I don't believe in the big move today. I think I manifested it. You know, literally yesterday I said the market shit. We had one big move, and I literally said, what are they going to do next? Are they going to not give us a big move? Is that the next thing they're going to do? And then here we are today, and look, there's no big move. There's nothing. There's no big moves. It went up, it went down. It didn't do anything. Fucking garbage. Trash. L. You know? At this point, the biggest move this can get is bottoming here and then actually going back to the highs. That's the biggest move it can get from here, you know? And then from there, I'm going to short it. I'm going to short it right up here. I'm going to short the market right up there. That's where I want to short, right towards the tippity tops right here. So yeah, man, L market, L day. I somehow managed to be green in this day thanks to fucking futures in the game plan. That shit saved my life, bro. The game plan said short, and then the price action said options is trash. You know, I learned, bro. I held the trade. It evaporated. I tried holding it. I held half. It evaporated. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I'm not going to risk another half. I'm not going to go green or red. I'm not a fucking vegan. Fuck that. So I woke up and I said, you know what? It's not going to happen. We tried. So all we can do now is try to make another trade. That's it. We'll try to make another trade in the next hour. We'll try our best. You know, there's going to be one more trade. You guys know in the Deegan market, we like to keep it around 2 trades. We don't like to go over that. So yeah, we'll try to make one more. I'm not going to risk going green to red, bro. The futures and then the nice drop, selling at the lows, fucking saved us. Oh my god, bro. I would have been red. I would have been fucking red. Fucking A, bro. But, yeah. You know, it's fucking... It's just impossible to be green every day with the far out of money options. This shit is fucking hard as shit. Like, at least the wins are big. The wins are so big where it offsets the L's, you know? But bro, look, we still got power hour. We got one more trade. We still got power hour, you know? So maybe we get a small move, but the gains are big because the options are fucking worthless, right? So we might have an options trade, guys. I might do an options trade during the power hour. You know, I might as well because there's no time. You know, there's absolutely no time left. I might as well do the options instead of the futures, you know? So we might do an options trade towards the power of the hour. We might do it. You know, we're going to play the reversals. We're going to print. So give it an hour, guys. Give it an hour. We're going to let the degenerate chart do what it wants to do. You know, whether that's go up more or drop back down. But, bro, I don't think we're going to get some crazy... I think we're just going to channel. I think that's what we're going to do. I mean, after this happened, I'm sold on the belief that there's no big move after that happened, you know? And I was in a futures trade, so it saved me from going red. So shout out to fucking futures. Fucking hell, bro. It's fucking, I'm telling, bro. It's fucking, shit is hard, bro. It's holding shit is hard. It's not fucking easy. It's the hardest fucking shit to do. Fucking green, red, green, red, green, red, all bigger green. Fucking, it's hard as fuck, you know? A long-term approach. It's fucking A, man. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Dude, we got 1 hour in this fucker. 1 hour, bro. Fucking shit, bro. We got 1 hour, bro. 1 hour. 1 more hour, guys. 1 more hour. We might have a trade, bro. We might have one more trade. We might have more trades. You know? We might have one more, guys. You know? You guys know how winning is, bro. Start winning. Oh my gosh, bro. Just gonna want to win some more, bro.
You know, I tried to throw some more, and they clearly said, no, we're not going to throw some more. So I tried, bro. You know, I tried to manifest. I summoned everything I could have possibly summoned. Dude, I tried, man. You know, I tried my best. It gets to a point where it's over. We gotta wait for the next trade. You know? Like, that's life. Nothing lasts forever, bro. No trade lasts forever. At some point, you gotta hold the trade, man. This isn't fucking Warren Buffett fucking buy Coca-Cola, hold forever. It's not what we're doing over here. You know? At some point, we gotta exit the trade. Or it's just gonna go to zero. You could do that too. But, you know, I was in futures, so fuck it. You know? Oh my gosh, dude. We got one more hour, guys. One more hour. We're gonna have one more trade. This could be a nice one, you know? Last trade was good. Shit got really dirty. They did us dirty. They said, nope, fuck your big move. Aim smaller, degenerates. That's what they said. They said aim smaller. You know what? Look, the big moves, they work in the long term. But to sit here and be green every single day aiming for big moves, everybody knows, bro. Sometimes there's no big moves. Sometimes direction's wrong. So if they would have scouted it, you know what I mean? So this whole idea of being green every single day, if people aim for the big moves and they do it, they're not going to be green every single day. That's why they need the bigger wins. You're going to need the bigger wins, you know? You guys can see how degenerate this market is. It goes from, dude, it just doesn't, how does that make sense? Like, how does it go from the best market, yeah, fucking, let's print every day, everything's green. And now it's like, bro, you know what the market turned into? This is what it turned into. I fucking swear, this is what it turned into. You know, they turned this shit into Squid Games. That's what they turned the market into. They said, you know what? People are winning too much. We're going to turn it into Squid Games. Only the strongest are going to survive. And then they play the little green light, red light, and they're just, you know what I mean? Look, bro, they're playing green light, red light on the 30-minute chart, and they're just flipping the dials. You know, they fucked the whole market, bro. They said people are getting too rich. We're gonna have to pull Squid Games, and the ones who last in this, well, they can carry on with the big games when they reappear. The ones who don't, they're gonna get fucked and get out of the market. Welcome to the market, guys. You know, it's degenerate. They turned it into Squid Games, bro. You guys better start getting good at Squid Games, because that's what they turned this shit into. It's sad. It really is. You know, this went from the best market in fucking history to a fucking Netflix show of fucking Squid Games. I'm like, bro, that show's real life. Look, this is it. We're in it right now. This is Squid Games. That's what this shit is, bro. They're playing fucking green light, red light, fucking everything you know of sideways. You know, our only hope was futures. There's no way I could have done an options trade, bro. I would have got decayed. Fucking, it would have got railed into the fucking. So guys, that's the only explanation I have, is they turned the market into Squid Games, and we adapted accordingly, and we're somehow green. It's like, bro, out of all of the days, I traded better today than yesterday, and today was fucking, oh my gosh, this was like horrific. But that game plan really did help. You know, the game plan said, it literally said, written in crystal fucking stone. It literally fucking said, it said, do this. It said, if the market goes below this, wait for it to spike and short the market. The market went below this, it spiked, it dropped, it spiked. I listened to the game plan. If I would have went with the options, I would have been cooked. Even if I went at the money in the, bro, I would have been fucking fried. So, W game plan. Oh my gosh, bro, that saved me. All you needed was this. You didn't even need any of these levels. All you needed was this right here. Down, up, down. That's it, bro. We turned the market into Squid Games. The game plan turned the market into the Squid Games, you know? I tried my best to trade it. I got in, you know, right here. I got in on the futures. So I almost got in at the exact peak. We were close. I got in right here. I went short. We held the trade. I held it all the way down here. I sold half here, and then I sold the other half right here in the green, you know? So I tried my best to do everything. The only thing that cost me some money today was holding the trade.
If I didn't hold the trade and I just sold it all here, or as it started to break out above that, I would have had more profit. So today holding the trade cost me more money. You know? Fucking hell, bro. Fucking this market, bro. We're in a Squid Games market. You guys better get good at fucking Squid Games, bro. If you guys aren't good at those games, you're gonna get fucking clipped. Y'all better get good at Squid Games, bro, because that's the type of market we're in. You know, we're in the type of market where we're gonna make it fucking amazing, and if they don't sharpen up when it's shit, we're gonna take all their profit. That's the market we're in, bro. So if you guys don't know how to play Squid Games, just wait for it to get good again. You know, wait for it to start soaring again, and then adapt when it doesn't. You know, that's what I'm adapting both ways. I'm trading in every fucking thing. This has been horrific. Absolutely cooked. Fucking trash. One of the shittiest fucking days I've ever seen in my life, bro. I have not, you know, when it comes to shit days, but I'm green in it, so that's good. I actually made some gains in this, so that's fucking good. Man, fucking future saved me, bro. All of the shorting the spikes have worked. Technically, this still could have a big move. I don't think it's going to happen. You know, I had enough of that shit. It could, though. You know how the market is. It goes from fucking shit to trash to up to down. It's the fucking market, bro. I'm trying my best. I'm working with everything I have. I have the profit stops. I have the selling into key levels. You know, if it hits the lows, take some gains. That's a good level to take some fucking gains, right? If you buy calls, sell into the spikes. If you buy puts, sell into the dips. Common sense. Set profit stops. You want to hold for bigger moves? Set. I'm working with everything. Bro, this market, if this has a big move, people setting profit stops, they're not even going to be able to hold for it. This is just such an L day. It's not a generous day. It's a wicked day, man. This is a wicked day. It's not a generous day at all. It's wicked. It was so bad we had to trade futures. That's how bad it was for fucking... I looked at this shit. I said, bro, I can't even scalp a trade. I'm going to have to hold it. And I also said, I can't even do an option. If I do one little wrong move on an option, they're going to decay that to fucking, you know? Fucking... Look, if I would have traded the option, look, I would have been cooked. It kept on spiking, and it took forever. The shit would have evaporated. I would have paid too high, and the move wouldn't have been big enough to make some big gains. At best, I would have made a small profit. So I did the right thing going with the futures, but bro, this is not easy. Some days there's days to go options. Some days there's days to go futures. You know, if you guys are trying to be green every single day, you can see it's tough as shit too. Like fucking hell, bro. Man, some days it's days for big moves. You know, it's like the market, it's clearly not generous right now. It's full fucking degenerate mode. Not a generous market right now. It was a fucking couple days ago, but whatever the fuck they did to this shit, they fucked it up, man. Fucking, you know, the big move happened during extended hours with the gap down, and then ever since they just fucked this. The whole market got fucked. It's just interesting though how what's disappointing is we didn't get a bigger move. You know, this was a very key support level where the SPY was supposed to have a bigger move. Last time it was at a key support level, it was supposed to have a bigger move. It took forever. It had a small drop first, and then they finally took it lower. But at least we got what I fucking drew. I literally drew it, bro. I literally drew it. I gave them the fucking keys. You know, the shit that I drew last night was exactly what happened. Drop, up, drop. The same fucking thing happened. I mean, I did it and it worked. I tried holding for bigger gains and it cost me some gains, man. I gave back some fucking profit holding this shit. Fucking, you know, I held it, and because I held it, I was able to make more profit because it dropped, but then I held it longer and I gave back some profit. You know, it worked both ways. It fucked me both ways. Fucking hell, bro. At least we're green. At least, bro, on a day like this, I think we deserve a Nobel Prize for being green. This shit was not easy, bro. But fuck, that game plan was fucking genius, bro. Down, up, puts. Down, up, puts. Fucking genius, bro. And then I looked at the comments. Nothing but hate. Nothing but hate, bro. So much hate in the comments. The top like comment was a hater. I'm like, dude, what am I doing so wrong? You know, what am I? I'm making money. What's good? What's good? You know, if you guys want to buy something, you can buy something with all the money that you're making. You know, it's my money. I can do whatever I want with it. You know, Like, I live a private life, bro. I still get hate. I'm like, what the fuck, man? I keep my life private. It's my life. I keep it private, bro. Like, you guys have seen enough. I showed them the white wall. I showed them the white walls. I showed them some of my music. I mean, I showed them enough, you know? Like, I live very private, bro. This one girl I was with, she wouldn't even fucking play music around people, you know? I mean, I think that's smart. I don't think it's smart playing music around people. You know, some people, bro, I just don't get them. You know, some people have like doormats and they have like a message on the mat. I'm like, why would you want to reveal to the world personal information about yourself? You know what I mean? What's attractive about that? Like I said, bro, this one girl I was with, she would not even play music. She would have to get to know the person so well just to play a song around them. You know? Dude, I was with her for like the 3 or 4 months and she finally played like one song around me. Like that, she would not play music around any fucking one. So yeah, man, I just think for most things it's better like that. Like, I've never seen the ROI in like showing someone something, you know what I mean? Like, who the fuck am I showing that to? Why do I need people to know this about me? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, there's no benefit. Living a private life is very beneficial, bro. I've been with people, bro, you have to get to know them months until they show one little thing about themselves, you know? Like, to a degree, I would say that I do gatekeep my personality, you know? I do gatekeep my personality. I'm very selective with, like, who I choose, you know, to fucking see my personality. You know what I mean, bro? Like, there's certain people I would never show my personality because they're gonna either think the worst of me or they're gonna try to, like, do some dumb shit or something. You know, it's going to be like a misread, a miscalculation, especially like certain authority people, bro. I would never show my personality around them, you know? Some of them might misread me or miscalculate me. And that's just too high risk for my situation. I can't have people doing, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm just very selective with what I do and what I show. You know, I show them this. I show them how to make money. I'm like, look, if you want to make money, you guys can, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like showing people things about, I just don't. I don't see the benefit, you know? I used to be more open, and all people tried to do was just use it against me. And I didn't do anything wrong by being open, you know? All they tried to do is just use some shit against me, or just fucking start shit with me or something, you know? Like, who the fuck knows, you know? Pleasing people is the most degenerate thing I've ever seen in this world. It really is, you know? Like, all people do is bitch, whine, and complain, or just, like, start shit with people. You know, the hate just never ends. It just never ends. No matter what I do, they'll always say something else. You know? It just never ends. So, it is what it is, guys. But yeah, hopefully, we can get one more move towards Power Hour to make this more of a Green Day. Because that would be great, man. You know? I mean, the market gave us a nice W. We took half of it. And then we turned the other half into fucking, you know, chopped fucking pasta. So, at least we sold half at the low. That helped us. But fucking A, man. The world is fucked, guys. It's a fucked place. You know? It really is, bro. It really is. Yes, bro, I'm green nearly every single day I'm green. I'm green nearly every single day. Every single day I'm nearly green, you know? It's just living proof. I could have done options and bid red today, but I'm sitting here saying, bro, if I'm going to be green every single day, sometimes I'm going to have to do futures. Sometimes I'm going to have to hold trades longer. Sometimes I'm going to have to scalp. You know, I'm not going to be able to do every little thing perfectly, but I'll be right to a very high degree the vast majority of the time. You know, this is how I do it, bro. Like today, I looked at the market, I was like, there's no way in fucks I can scalp this dude. It's too degenerate to scalp. So I said, if I'm going to hold a trade, you know, am I going to hold an option or am I going to hold a futures trade? And I looked at the market and I said, I don't even want to make a scalp. So if I do options, I'm going to have to time this perfectly and we're going to have to get a big enough move that might not happen. So I said, fuck options. And then I came to the conclusion of futures. And now I'm green as fuck, you know? I always had plenty of people tell me, bro, you should just trade futures, trade futures, trade futures. I see that comment all the time. I see that all the time when it comes to my trading. They're like, bro, you should trade futures. I'm like, and then when I trade it, I get hate. they hate me because I trade futures when I trade it. I'm like, bro, I try my best to trade options. If the market doesn't want to give me an options trade, I'm not going to burn the money. I'm not going to do it, bro. There's better ways to burn money, you know? I can go to the casino and have fun. You know? There's plenty of ways to burn money. There's plenty of ways to legally burn money. You know? Rich people do it every day. Look at how much money they're spending on AI. They don't care. They're like, this is a piece of paper. This is worthless. It is worthless, bro. Look. I ordered DoorDash, they never showed up. It's fucking worthless. You know? If I want a refund, I'm gonna have to fucking go to the customer support. Do I want to do that? Is that worth my time? Or do I just want to take the L? You know what I mean? Fucking A. Or maybe it's not even a time thing. Maybe some people are just like, it's a principle. No matter what, no matter how much my time is worth, or even if I don't want to do it, I still have to get my money back. You know what I mean? Like, the world is not a simple place anymore, man. Fucking... I used my piece of paper today and I got nothing. That's what I got. All I got was more money. Fuck, what do I have to do? I have to hire a chef now? Fucking more money, more problems. Fucking, what? I have to make more money to have an in-staff chef? Like, the fuck? Like, fucking A, bro. Fucking, oh, I guess more money was the solution. I guess that was the solution. No, the person couldn't show up. So if I would have had more money, I could have had a staff and they could have been there on time. But suppose he didn't show up. Then what am I going to do? You know what I mean? Money does not... Fucking A, bro. I made paper today. I couldn't even get a fucking meal. I couldn't even get a fucking meal delivered to my door, bro. I'm sitting here saying, what the fuck was the point of making the money if they can't even show up? Like, the fuck? And now I'm sitting here saying, the fuck? What am I going to... You know what I mean? It's fucking degenerate, bro. Paper's worthless, bro. It just goes to show you how worthless it is, you know? I used my paper today. I sent out some troops, and the troops never showed up. It was worthless, bro. That goes to show you that the only thing is valuable is the people. You know? The people are the only thing that's valuable. That motherfucker said, fuck no, I ain't showing up. You know what I mean? The only thing that's fucking valuable is the fucking people. The money is fucking worthless, bro. I used my money. I didn't even get my fucking meal today, bro. Fucking A, man. There's people using their money in the market today. They're losing money. They're not even making money. It was fucking worthless today. Fucking A, bro. Like, the world is cooked, bro. The world is cooked, dude. It's absolutely cooked, bro. The fucking A, bro. It's fucking worthless. Money is worthless, bro. I'm gonna tell motherfuckers today, I'm gonna be like, bro, I used my money, I couldn't even get the food. It's fucking worthless. The whole world is gonna change, bro. I'm telling you, bro, the whole world is gonna change. Where either money is gonna collapse, it's gonna be worthless, no one's gonna do anything for money. They're gonna say, fuck it, we don't need the money. Or everyone's getting rich. That's how I see it, bro. It would be nice to live through both, but in terms of the illusion, it seems like money is the illusion. I wish it would just collapse, you know? I wish, like, everyone, they just didn't perceive money to be valuable. And they just stopped using it. And they all woke up one day and said, fuck the IRS, we're not going to pay you because we don't make any money. You know what I mean? Like, fucking, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just never pay the IRS and create 1 million business expenses. Fuck them. They don't deserve a cut. We'll just create all the business expenses in the world where we never have to pay them. You know, well, we didn't make any money. What money, dude? I spent it all on my... The only reason I'm in business is because I spent all the money on the business expenses. What money? It's tough as shit. Do you see how tough it is nowadays to make it in business? Well, we had to spend all the money. We can't pay you. We spent all the money on business expenses just to fucking survive. You know, we should do that to them. Fuck the IRS. It's fucking worthless, man. We should just collapse the whole system. It's like, bro, at some point... this shit has got to collapse. It's either got to collapse when everyone gets rich and they see through the illusion, or everyone just wakes up and says money's worthless, bro. It is. I tried to order food. The food never came. So money's worthless, bro. That's my conclusion. You know, it's like fucking... You know, money created my problem, bro. Money created a problem today. I used my money. I ordered food. The food never came. So money created problems for my life. I could have just got a connection and I could have said, you know what? I'm not going to pay you, but you bring me this food and then I'll do something for you. No money needed. You know what I mean? I could have just done that. You know, maybe the food would have gotten there if I done that, because maybe the person has some like respect and doesn't just look at this as like, am I really going to do this for fucking a worthless piece of paper? You know what I mean? Like, You know, maybe like if I did something good and they did something good and there was no money exchanged in between that, it would have worked out. But since it was just a worthless piece of paper and the person who took the job, they were like, bro, fuck this shit. I'm not doing this, you know? So it is what it is, guys. Money's worthless, bro. Money's fucking worthless, you know? Fuck it is, you know? What? If something ever happens, what? If someone goes to the hospital, they're not gonna take that person. They're not gonna do any treatment or anything. They're just gonna throw them out in the fucking streets. Money's fucking trash, bro. It's fucking worthless. You know, at this point, money just looks like debt. It's fucking garbage, man. You know, people, they use their hard-earned money in the market today. Look what they got. They didn't get anything. You know? They got fucking worthless. Fucking hell, bro. The world is so fucked. Everything about this world is just fucked up. You know? It really is. It should just collapse, bro. The whole world should just collapse. One day, people are going to wake up. They're going to see through this illusion. You know, fucking money makes the world go round. Is it the money or is it the people? You know? Who has all the energy? Who has all the attention? Who makes the world go round? Is it people's fucking energy or is it the money? You know? Fucking money, bro. It's degenerate. It really is degenerate, bro. It really is degenerate. You know? So I'm saying, bro, one of my friends, they said, bro, I asked them what they would do if they got wealthy. I said, I wouldn't change a thing about my life. Then what the fuck is the point of all the money? If you're not going to change a single thing about your life and have what is the point? What is the point? What are you're gonna give it away, you're gonna have it die, and what is the point, bro? What is the point? You know, it's like to a degree, it just seems to get degenerate, bro. You know, it really does. It's like, it seems to get degenerate. What is the fucking point? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna order more food that can't even get to my door. Is that what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hire more DoorDashers who can't even fucking show up. Is that what I'm gonna do? You know, with more money? Like, what the fuck? Like, fucking hell, bro. It's like, you know, not everyone cares about some AI shit or some other, you know what I mean? Some people just want to live their lives. Not everyone cares about all these things that can be done with money, you know? It's like fucking shit, man. This is fucking trash. Like look at, you know, take this stream for example, right? I'm sitting here just blowing through fucking time, waiting to make money. You know what I mean? But there's smarter ways to do it. I could just set an alert here. I could just set an alert here. And just walk away. There is smarter ways to do things when it comes to making the money. But yeah, man. You guys get what I'm saying, bro. You know? Like, what the fuck am I supposed to tell that person? He literally told me. He's like, bro, if I have all the money in the world, I wouldn't change a thing about my life. I would just keep on living my life. You know, then why do we need all the money? You know what I mean? At some point, it seems like the only thing left to do is to just burn the money. You know? The fuck? Like, for reals. You know? The food never showed up. Like, dude. No show. No show. Fucking shit never fucking got here, man. It never fucking showed up, man. Fucking disappointed, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like, you know, I didn't want any other food. That's the food that I wanted. It didn't get here. It's okay, guys. I'm a professional intermediate faster. I can fast for days, bro. I went an entire month without any food, bro. All I had was water. I went for an entire month with no fucking food before. It's all good, bro. You know, sometimes I feel better fucking fasting anyways. Bro, I just look at my life and like most of the shit that I do, it's like more money never really resulted into some amazing fucking, you know what I mean? Like, my frequency is high. Like what it, you know what I mean? It really depends. If people just want to create shit, then yeah, money helps. But if they just want to live life and not create all these things that cost a fuck ton of money to do, you know? It gets to a point where it's like, what am I going to do? You know, it seems like the only thing left to do is just to make more money. You know, like if I don't want to create certain things that require all this money, it's not that expensive to live when someone has some money. It's really not. Like, to live a life, it's not that expensive, you know? Like, it's like, bro, like, this shit is insane, man. You know, like this market in money, it's got me questioning everything at times. It really does, you know? It really does. Like, there's some geniuses in the world, they don't even care about money. They have no fucks about it. They're like, I'm smart, I don't need all the money. And then other people, they're like, no, I want all the money. It's fucking interesting, man. But yeah, man, I'm trying my best to make more money so I can hire a DoorDasher who doesn't show up. I'm trying my absolute hardest, you know? It's very useful in this economy to just keep on making more money. You know? Like, fucking, bro, the whole world is just a scam. It's an illusion. You know? Maybe people would see through the illusion if money didn't exist. Because, bro, I see a world without money, and, like, imagine if we just all exchanged goods. You know, and we just created our own goods. We built all of our own things. We didn't have to hire people. You know, we hired them through, I'll do something for you, you do something for me. Right? This whole idea of fucking paper, man. Fucking paper, bro. But guys, if you have no skills and you don't know anyone, money is very useful. It is, you know? You can just be a degenerate and swipe a card and just get things handed to you and have other people do the work. It's great. It's great for that. It's also great, you know, for people who just want to send out troops. You know, some people, they have a vision and they're like, I don't want to do all the work, but I know it needs to be done, so I'm just going to hire people to do it, right? So it has its purpose. It does, but, you know, life just seems more fun sometimes, you know, the other way. It would be interesting to see what happens if, you know, if there was no money, what would happen? Is everyone just going to start killing each other? Is that what we're going to do? We're all going to start killing each other? Or are we going to start, like, getting along and valuing each other and having morals, you know? Fucking look at all the degenerates that money has created, you know? It's created a lot of degenerates in this world, you know? Some people got good at the wrong thing, you know? Money created a lot of degenerates, too. It's not all good. It also created a lot of fucking problems, a lot of fucking degenerates. I mean, there's a lot of businesses that exist that are trash just because they make money, you know? Fucking, like, I wonder if those businesses that were trash would even exist if money didn't exist, you know? There's a lot of businesses, they know they're shit at what they do, and they're trash, but they still exist because they get a worthless piece of paper. So would they still exist in that business if there was no money, you know? Because money solves problems, but some people use business as a way to create problems, and then there's another business that solves the problems to that business. It's degenerate, bro. Money creates a lot of illusions. It really does. It definitely creates a lot of illusions, you know? It really does. Like, the one thing that's holding up this country is a piece of paper. Like, that's the one thing that's holding up this country. Like, you're telling me we're not killing each other because a piece of paper is holding us all together? That's the one thing that's holding us together, is a fucking piece of paper? Like, bro, I couldn't even get my food today. Like, times are getting interesting, man. I'm all for it, bro. If they don't want to show up, I'm all for it, bro. If this keeps on happening, I support that. You know, I'm with them. You know, if they don't want to show up, but fuck, I should at least get my money back, no? But that requires effort. They're not going to automatically give me my money back. I'm going to have to go to the DoorDash support, and they're going to say, hey, motherfucker, do you want to waste your time with us and get your money back, or do you just not want to give a fuck? You know what I mean? So we're living in some interesting times, man. You know, there's a lot of people, they don't value the dollar. They don't value it. They don't bend to it. They just don't care. They're like, why do I need this, you know? Some people are like, bro, I could just play GTA. I don't need, you know what I mean? I don't need to live GTA in real life and have I could just play GTA. I don't need, you know what I mean? Some people are like, you know what? I just want to live away from everyone. You know, I don't want to have any technology. I just want to live away from everyone and just do normal things with my life. I don't want to do all this crazy shit. You know what I mean? It's just the fucked up part about today's world is it's like to live like that, unless you go to another country. But nowadays it seems like all of the other countries are the only places who have some reason where you can live in, you know? None of this bullshit that's around us in America. Bunch of fucking bullshit around us here. Fucking scams everywhere, bullshit everywhere, Matrix is everywhere here. It's like, bro, the Matrix lives in America. That's why I personally don't like it. You know? Because when I go out, people look at me differently and they could just tell, like, I'm not like them. And, like, bro, I'm like, do I want to hang around these people? I'm like, no, I would never talk to these people. You know, I feel like a fucking alien. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I go out in America, I'm like, oh, it's just a Matrix. That's what this is, you know? I will say, though, Miami, it's nice. It's nice, bro. At least over there, they don't give a fuck. That's what I like about Miami. It's like no bullshit flies over there. It's like, you know, if someone starts some shit in fucking Miami, bro, they're fucking done. They're fucking done, bro. Someone's fighting or someone's getting fucking shot or, like, someone just removes themselves. It's pretty simple. You know, there's no bullshit games over there. I fucking love it, bro. Miami's simple. If there's a problem, the person just disappears usually. They just get the fuck away from the person or they start shit. You know, they just fucking go at it. America, oh my gosh, bro. Fucking, I do like Miami, though. Miami fucks. But, bro, this America shit's on some fuck shit. You know, it really is, bro. It's on some fuck shit. It's on, like, some spy type shit today. Look at this, bro. It finally happened. I guess I manifested it. You know, I literally said yesterday, this was one of the worst days I saw in a while. The market only had one big move for 30 minutes. When it happened, I literally said, what are they going to do next? Are they just going to kill the whole market? And then, boom, the next day they killed it. And, bro, my game plan was fucking perfect, bro. We were ready. Drop, spike, short, drop. We were fucking, bro. I had the blueprint, you know? I don't know if everyone was red using that. I was green. I used the game plan. I went with futures. I was green. You know what I mean? I don't know what the fuck they did. I gave them the blueprint. It was the only drawing, bro. Down, up, down. I gave it to them a day in advance. I used it on the stream. Look at the trade, bro. This was the best trade you could have made all day. The best trade you could have made today was fucking buying the lows or shorting the highs. I shorted towards the peak. I sold half towards. I made the best trade I could have made. So fucking hey, man. You know, I did what I had to do. So yeah. It's fucking amazing, bro. It's amazing, bro. You know? Fucking hell, bro. It's amazing, man. It really is. We're in some interesting times, bro. The DoorDashers, they had enough. They don't even want to show up. And the weather was good. It wasn't even hot. It got all cloudy and lightning strikes. Our trade was working and the motherfucker said no. He said, no, I'm not showing up. He said, there's no amount of money that you can pay me to show up. That's what he basically said. And now I'm sitting here saying, am I going to pull the same card? Am I going to say the same thing? No, there's no amount of, I'm not going to waste my time and try to get a refund. You know what I mean? Or I can be someone with a principle. No matter how much time I'm going to waste, I should get my money back. You know, I could do that. Or I can just pull the card of like, you know what? Fuck it. You know, money's worthless anyways. He didn't show up, well, fucking hire someone else. Fuck it. You know, no refunds. You know what I mean? It's an interesting time to be alive. You know? If money is so worthless, does a refund really matter? Does it really matter? Do I really need the money back? You know, because in the first place, I didn't need the money. I got rid of the money. All I needed was the food. So do I really need to sit here and try to get a refund? You know, because I didn't need the money. I already spent it. What I needed was the food. You know, I didn't need the money. I needed the fucking food. That's what I fucking needed. But you know what? I'm trained for this when shit happens, so technically I don't even need the food, bro. I'll be good. I'll make it through, bro. I made it 30 days once without food, so I'll survive, guys. Don't worry about me, bro. I'll survive. I'll make it through, bro. I'll be just fine. But yeah, man. Degenerate market. Peak fucking degenerate, bro. Wow. I'm appalled. This is disturbing. This really is disturbing. Dude, this market's cooked, bro. I don't know what else to say, man. I tried everything I could have done. I gave them the drawing. Everything worked, you know? So it is what it is, man. I tried my absolute best. You know, fuck it, bro. Let's see. What am I? I'm gonna order some different food. You know, if this doesn't show up, I guess I'm just gonna have to go in person. You know, I guess I'm just gonna have to go in person. I didn't want to have to do that, bro. I go to some places in person. I'm like, dude, I should have never went here to. It's very hard nowadays. I'm telling you, bro. One of the hardest things to find in this world is to find a place where you can actually go. And then when you leave the place, you're like, you know, I'm glad I went there. You know, I'm glad I used time out of my day to go there. I'm glad I experienced, you know what I mean? It's just, bro, nowadays it's like, oh man, there's just a lot of places, bro. It's just hard to leave higher. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like a lot of places nowadays, go there, I feel lower than I felt before. I felt higher before than I went there. I'm seriously saying, why did I just waste that time and money doing that? I felt higher before going there. The fuck? It's like I went there, it wasted my time, and then when I left, I don't feel amazing and better. I feel fucking worse. The fuck? Like, holy shit, bro. That's one thing in business nowadays, bro. There's just a lot of places where if I go, I'll feel lower than higher. So I just don't go. Like, fuck. But yeah, man, we're in some interesting times. Everything's collapsing. It would be nice if money collapsed with it. You know? It really would be. You know? It really would be. Like, why does money have to be the one thing that just keeps on inflating and fucking... Why can't that just collapse too? You know? They should just bring it to zero already. Fuck it. It's like, you know, the world goes round because people exist. So why do people have to say, you know what, money makes the world go round? That just seems like such a degenerate existence. I feel like it would be more fun if it didn't exist. It would definitely be more interesting. You know, people could just use money to buy whatever they want. You know, fucking degenerate. I just think it would be cooler if it didn't exist. You know, if everyone just woke up and said, we're just going to do whatever we want. You know, like, fuck it. But yeah, man, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is, you know. It is the world. Money creates some interesting things. It really does, you know. Definitely some degenerate shit. 100%, you know. But then without it, it also creates degenerate shit too, you know. It's interesting. It really is. But, yeah, man, we'll see if we can make one more trade. Oh my gosh, bro. I feel like I live in like a deserted fucking island. Like fucking nobody wants to come here anymore. Nobody fucking comes here anymore, bro. I'm like the last one standing, bro. Everyone in my fucking neighborhood, nobody leaves the house. They all might as well just die. Nobody goes out. It's just not popping anymore. Oh man, bro. I feel like everyone left. It's like I'm the only one left here. You know, I'm the final man standing, you know? It's like, fuck. It is what it is, bro. They all must have just died and went somewhere else, you know? Like, fucking A, bro. It's just so fucking quiet and just sunny. Nobody goes out. Some interesting times, man. Fucking summer, bro. They took away all the fun. The fucking weather just took it all away, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, I'm about to do some shit of what this other... Bro, I went out the other day. This random person out of nowhere. Literally nobody... Dude, I'm in a fucking ghost town. I'm literally in a ghost town. It's late at night. I'm taking a walk, bro. The frequency, it's fucking high as fuck. I'm taking a walk. Nobody's there. This motherfucker comes out of fucking nowhere. It's like he just spawned on the map. This guy comes out of nowhere, and it happened as soon as it was fucking raining, bro. As soon as it was raining. It rained out of fucking nowhere. Rain came out of nowhere. It starts pouring. This motherfucker comes out of nowhere. Bro, this dude, he had a piece of fucking cardboard with fucking sunglasses on. It was giving like Tyler fucking Durden type of vibes. Like this motherfucker was just scavenger out there. And he had a piece of fucking cardboard just covering his head because he didn't want to get fucking wet on the rain. And this motherfucker came up to me. He was like, bro, how do I get to Palm Beach? Bro, this motherfucker was walking to Palm Beach. Dude, I looked at my GPS. I told this motherfucker, dude, it's going to take you days. It's going to take you days to get there. He's like, bro, it's all good. And he just kept on walking, bro. Dude, I'm about to pull some shit with that. Man, I'm about to do that thing, bro. I'm about to do the same shit. I'm about to say, you know what? Fuck money. I'm just gonna fucking, you know what I mean? Dude, I could just pull that. I could just walk on fucking foot and I could just say, you know what? I'll go up to a stranger and I'll be like, do you know how to get to Palm Beach? Bro, I swear this fucking happened, bro. I was like, dude, it's gonna take you 4 days to fucking walk there. He didn't ask for anything. He didn't ask for money. He didn't ask for fucking the bus, the subway direction. All he asked was, bro, what direction? Do I have to go north? Bro, I literally told him, it's gonna take you 4 days, you gotta go north. And he just went on his way. He didn't ask me for anything. I'm sitting here saying, bro, finally a good person, not asking for money, not asking for shit, just coming up and saying, you know what? Do you know how to get to fucking Palm Beach, bro? It's a 4-day walk. It caught me a little bit off guard, but you know, I could see it. In today's world, I can see it, bro. I can see it. I'm like, there's nothing else to do. You might as well just walk. 4 days to get your debt. What else are they gonna do? Seriously, what am I supposed to do? You know, what am I gonna do? Start another business? Like fucking, and then what is the point of that? To make more money? What else am I gonna do, bro? I might as well just fucking go barefoot with sunglasses and just walk to Palm Beach at this point. You know, maybe I'll meet that guy there. Maybe he'll be there. You know, and everyone will have a great time. Like, who the fuck knows, bro? Like, I'm in a fucking ghost town just having a great walk. This person comes to me out of nowhere. Fucking cardboard over his head, fucking some amazing sunglasses. Doesn't ask me for anything. He just goes, how do I get to Palm Beach? I'm walking there. Like, bro, we pulled out the GPS and the conclusion that we came to was north in 4 days, bro. That was the conclusion. Those were the directions. And he was good with that. He was like, all right, I gotta go north. And it's going to take me 4 days to get there. Like, bro, I'm sitting here fucking walking very peacefully. And then there's another person, fucking 4 days, they're going to get to their, man, 2 different life paths, bro. You know, 2 different life paths. It really had me thinking. It had me questioning. I was like, am I doing something wrong in my life? You know, is this guy doing something right? You know what I mean? It really had me questioning. It had me questioning some shit, man. Like, this motherfucker, he doesn't even have a phone. He's walking 4 days to Palm Beach. You know, he's just having a ball. And then there's me. I'm sitting on a stream just looking at this shit, waiting to make more money. And then I can't even get the food. I can't even get the fucking food. The DoorDasher doesn't even show up. Like, damn, bro. Like, fucking, who has a more interesting life? It really had me thinking. Is he the one with the more interesting life? Is he the one with all the stories to tell? You know, it really had me thinking, bro. I was like, bro, in that situation, the conclusion that I came to, I think we were both doing something right. You know, I was enjoying the night, having a peaceful walk, and he was enjoying the journey of where that's going to take him. You know, an interesting story. So, I think we were both doing something right, and, you know, it just opened my eyes. I was like, there's something more, you know? We can walk to Palm Beach. We don't have to drive there. We don't need directions, and we can just ask someone with a phone who's paying for the phone for directions. We don't even have to pay for the phone. You know, everyone nowadays, they're just glued to their phone. It's like, we can just use our feet. We can come up to one of these motherfuckers, you know, and we could say, hey, how do I get here? And they'll just give us the directions for free. You know, what are they going to charge us? It's not like we own the phone. What am I going to tell the guy? No, $20. Or no, fuck off. Really? Like, I'm not an asshole, bro. Like, fucking, like, you know, like, what are we going to do? Like, fucking A, man. What are we going to do? What is the world coming to, bro? What are we coming? It's 100 degrees outside. Guys walking to Palm Beach, you know? And I'm over here just fucking walking around, nice fucking ghost town, fucking wealthy neighborhood, enjoying my time, you know, just having a ball. And then he's doing that. What is the world gonna? When is it all gonna collapse? You know, hopefully it all. Bro, I'd rather have it all collapse now than after I die. You know, like, man, it's just gonna be interesting, bro. You know, like, someone's gonna be in heaven, they're gonna watch the world collapse, and then someone's actually gonna be in the world and experience it fucking collapsing in the world. You know, it's gonna be interesting. Like, fucking, you know, if I'm here in this world now, I'd rather just have it collapse. Like, fuck it. You know, like, why the fuck not? Like, man, we're just in some interesting times, guys. Like, we're in some interesting times. You know. Like, bro, the dude didn't even have an umbrella. He found a piece of cardboard, you know? There was probably a piece of, it probably just came to him. He probably manifested it. That's the cards that he pulled. You know, he didn't want to get wet. He figured it out. Cardboard came to him. You know, some people, they could have spawned in a fucking umbrella. He spawned in a fucking piece of cardboard. It was working. He didn't get wet. It was fucking working. He had it over his head. You know what I mean? Like, fuck, bro, we don't need money, bro. Fuck it. We don't need money. That's another thing. Some people have so much money, all they do is burn it because they don't need it. You know, so it works both ways. It works both ways in different ways. Rich people don't need all the money in the world. And some people don't need money to begin with. It works both ways, you know? Fucking people, man. People is definitely a solution. If there's no people, there's no money. If there's no money, there's still people. So, you know, fucking money. It's worthless. You know, if there's no money, people still exist. But what would be so powerful about money if fucking people didn't exist? Absolutely nothing. So why does it have to have power to it? It's just a way of life. I just look at it from a philosophy. It's just a way of life. People choose how they want to live, bro. It's just a way of life. You know? Bro, he was the realest person. That's what I'm saying. Exactly. See, I'm in full agreement with that. Bro, that was the realest person. I don't even think he was homeless, bro. Because, dude, I'm telling you, some homeless people, bro, some of them, they got beef with me. Some of them, they fucking see me, they want to start shit with me. They want to unleash all their demons on me. I'm like, bro, I didn't give you a shitty life. I'm not that guy. You had me mistaken for someone else, bro. Bro, I swear, bro, with some homeless people, bro, they carry a certain energy, bro. Motherfuckers, bro. One of the people who outlasted me, one of the most angriest people that I've encountered in life was a homeless person. And I didn't do shit to them. I walked past them. I felt their energy. And bro, this was some demonic energy. And I kept it moving, bro. And then they started fucking harassing me. And I just kept it moving, bro. I don't know you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that person is on his final fucking thing where he'll just kill anyone. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to start with people, bro. But I felt the fucking energy. You know, he must have felt my fucking frequency, and I clearly felt his. And bro, when I felt his shit, I wanted nothing to do with it. It was a fucking homeless guy, bro. Fucking, this person's demons must have been at all-time highs. Because, bro, I felt it from a mile away. Like, fucking, I was on high alert, bro. And I don't know what that person is capable of doing. I don't know if they're willing to risk it all to kill me. So, bro, I completely I just kept it moving. I didn't run. I didn't speed walk. I just kept walking, bro. This dude was literally, he kept on fucking shouting at me, bro. And I just kept it moving, bro. I'm like, dude, I am not trying to get involved with the demonic energy you're on. I'm not trying to fucking fight you, bro. I'm just gonna, you can just keep reacting to whatever the fuck you're experiencing, and I'm just gonna keep it moving, bro. But no, this person, I don't even think he was homeless. This person that I came into encounter with, he could have been homeless. Maybe he's temporary homeless, but bro, I don't think he was homeless. He could have just been on an adventure and just said, fuck it. It could have been like one of those Into the Wild movies, you know? He could have just like woke up one day and said, fuck it. I'm just going to travel all around Florida on foot, you know? Maybe he's got an apartment. Maybe he's living with parents, but bro, it was giving like Tyler Durden, you know? And bro, honestly, the vibes that it gave off, I would probably say that, yeah, I would be in complete agreement. I would probably say out of all the humans that I've come in contact with over the past decade, he was definitely, I would say it could have been top two people. Could have been one of the best people I've ever encountered, you know? Bro, I swear, bro. There was nothing like that moment. It was definitely awakening. You know, that definitely, I was like, I had the thought too. I was like, bro, I had a brief moment. I was like, dude, should I just fucking go with this guy and just say fuck it? But I could just do that on myself. I don't have to go with anyone. You know what I mean? Like, I could just do that on my own. But in terms of people, I would say definitely that was probably one of the best people I've come into contact with in over a decade. It could have been top two. And it happened right after I had a horrible experience with another person. You know, I mean, I didn't have a horrible experience. I just kept it moving. But something got triggered in this person, bro. They could not... Dude, it's like the vibes, they were throwing threats. They were throwing threats at my life. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I could either sit here and entertain this or try to fight this or just keep it moving. Bro, I kept it moving, you know? I mean, me keeping it moving, that probably caused the person the most pain they could have received, to a degree. So that's what I'm saying, bro. Sometimes I just do things and it causes people pain and I do nothing. You know, that happens. But they do it to themselves. They do it to themselves, you know, because I don't want to talk to people who are like that. If someone's got negative energy, I'm not here to try to fucking fix someone or fucking fight someone or fucking talk back. I'm here to keep it moving, bro. It's like, I don't know you. I don't know what you're capable of doing. I'm not here to find out, bro. Like, I don't know the shit that you're on, you know? I'm on a completely different fucking frequency. I don't know what the shit you're on, but it was some fucking negative, fucking demonic fucking energy. So I just kept it moving, bro. If someone's got negative energy and they threaten my life, I don't sit there and stay, bro. Even if I think I can, you know, fucking, you know, if I'm gonna, like, I'm not the one, I'm trying to keep shit moving. I'm not trying to fucking sit there and fucking, you know, and either entertain that or fucking try to fight. Like, bro, in this world, you can literally fight people without laying a fucking finger on them. I'm telling you, bro, there's been people that came into my life, bro, I witnessed their entire downfall. They made a wrong move. I made the right move. I didn't lay a finger on them. Their whole life got destroyed temporarily. You know, sometimes the most powerful move on the board is to just say nothing and just let people react, you know? But, bro, fucking people, bro, there's something else, man. It's crazy, dude. It's fucking... People feel my energy, too. It's not me just feeling fucking their energy. They feel my fucking energy, too. And it definitely fucking triggers something in them. You know? Like, sometimes I just feel like I'm a walking mirror, and it reflects back to who they are. You know? It's like I'm reflecting them back to themselves. If someone doesn't react to someone... and all they're doing is just screaming and shouting at them, it's like, bro, I'm clearly reflecting something into them. And some people don't have emotional control and they just go off the fucking rails when someone doesn't react to them. It's like, bro, I don't have to sit here and entertain you. I don't have to sit here and fucking, you know, fight you. You know what I mean? Like, I keep it moving, bro. If someone doesn't, you know what I mean? In most situations, I just keep it moving, dude. You never, but this one motherfucker, bro, that dude, man, that could have been an angel, bro. Man, maybe, like, fucking, bro, that could have been an angel. Who the fuck knows? That could have been an angel. That one person, that happened recently, too. That could have literally been an angel, bro. Like, who knows, you know? I could have just went off with that person. Who knows what would have happened? It would have been a story, that's for sure. But, bro, like I said, I found a way to get the stories with no one in my life. That's why I just haven't been as attracted to people, because I feel like I can just get whatever I want by myself, you know? If I go with people, there's just lack of control. And at some point, I usually lose the person. You know, at some point, usually there's just a split where there's just nothing left to be said. It's like we just go on our different paths. You know, usually when it comes to people, for me, it's usually just temporarily. It's usually just a temporary thing. It's like, well, at least with myself, it's forever. You know, at least I can just be with myself forever. I meet all these people, they just go away at some point. They're never here to stay. You know, they always fucking go away. So, it is what it is, you know? But that was definitely, bro, that could have been an angel. Definitely an interesting person. But, the vibes, good vibes, you know? Good vibes, you know? Like, dude, I don't judge anyone, you know what I mean? Someone could be homeless, they could be a very violent person, or they could be one of the most wholesome, amazing people in the world, you know? Two different sides to the equation. Like, it's you know what I'm saying? Like, there is certain things, though, that are just certain things, you know? But this dude, I will say, bro, it's hard to find rare, interesting people, and I do think that was one of them. You know, I do think that was one of them. So yeah, it's just interesting, you know? It really is. Man, to just say you're just gonna walk 4 days barefoot to Palm Beach, like, fucking, you know what I mean? Like, it takes a rare person to just do that, you know? I just, what was attractive was the dude didn't give a fuck. he just gave no fucks, you know? He made it appear that all these people on cell phones were just a bunch of fucking drones, you know? It's like, dude, I could just, he's basically like, he just made it appear, it's like, bro, I don't even need a phone. I could just ask these degenerates where to fucking go. He's like, bro, these degenerates are on their phone, I'll just ask, like, bro, I'll just ask one of these degenerates, you know, I don't even need a phone. Why do I need a phone? It's just a bill, you know what I mean? I'll just ask one of these people. I'll just use them. This motherfucker's walking around, bro, just fucking maneuvering through life. You know what I mean? He's like, bro, I'll just ask one of these degenerates. They all have them. You know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, bro. Shout out to that person, bro. That was an amazing person, man. Like, bro, when am I gonna run into someone like that again? Like, dude, I'm talking like old time. Out of all the people I met, that could be a top 3. It could be a top 3, top 2. That's the one thing about strangers, in my experience, bro. Strangers are some of the best people, you know? Some of the best people I've ever met, they've all been fucking strangers. You know, the people who already know who I am, or the people I already met, tend to be the absolute worst. I want this, use me, betray me. A lot of the times the strangers were the best ones. But you have to meet a fuck ton of strangers to find that one. It's not fucking easy, man. That could have literally been the one, you know? That could have been a good friend I could have had. I just let him walk, you know? I just kept on moving. I just let the guy, you know? That could have been the one person, you know, suppose that was a person, you know what I mean? It could have been a person, you know what I mean? But yeah, it is what it is, bro. It is what it, you know, I still got me. Even if I was supposed to, you know, if that was supposed to be a friend or something, well, I still got me. You know? It is what it is, bro. But yeah, fucking, at least I gave the guy directions. You know, I could have said, I don't trust you, who the fuck are you, stay the fuck away from me, or I could have just ignored the guy, you know what I mean? At least I gave him directions, you know? Some people could say, well, you took a risk doing that. He could have just stabbed you on spot. Well, I'm like, bro, if, you know, someone could have stabbed me on spot anyways without asking for directions. You know, so fuck it. Like, I'm living my life, bro. Was that high risk? Should I have not given them the directions? But nah, bro, fuck it. It was good vibes. It was just so random. Like, it was the most, like, dude, I was literally in a ghost town. It rained out of nowhere, and then this guy spawns in. It was the most random thing. You know, but bro, sunglasses, piece of cardboard on the head, it seemed safe. It didn't seem like a threat. So yeah, you know, but if someone's willing to walk 4 days to Palm Beach, they're definitely capable of doing some shit, but I'm also capable of doing shit too. So it's more of just if the person has good intent or not. But if shit needs to happen, it needs to happen anyways. So it is what it is. But guys, look, man, this market's degenerate, bro. It's got me talking about fucking this stuff. Like, man, this market, there's nothing else for me to talk about, you know? So, bro, this is degenerate, guys. Man, the day has finally come. You guys have finally seen the most degenerate day on the fucking planet. It's finally happened. You know what I mean? It really has happened. We somehow managed to be green and make a good trade on the most degenerate day to ever exist. There was never a big move. The scalps were extremely challenging. A lot of this, if you traded options, you got fucked. But if you guys traded futures and you got in, you got out, or if you scalped the fucking options trade, timed it 100% fucking perfect, best price, best timing, bought the lows here, fucking, you know what I mean, or went short here. So the only way to be green today was to scalp an option, which was not easy to do, bro. It was not easy. Think about all the hours in the day where the scalps were shit. In decay. Not easy. Or you went with futures. That's the only way you guys are green today. A lot easier to go with futures because you don't have to time shit. Bro, if I go with the option, I'm going to have to pay a good deal and get in at a good time. And the whole day was shit. The biggest moves happen so quick. It's almost as if the big moves never even happened. It's like, oh, you were green? Yeah, let me just take away all that profit if you don't sell. Very difficult to get in entries on options when the market's this degenerate. So you guys witnessed it here first. This has been the most degenerate fucking market we've ever seen. You know? Who knows what's going to happen next? DoorDashers aren't showing up. Fucking people are walking 4 days to get to Palm Beach in 100-degree weather. It's supposed to be sunny all day. It's 100 degrees. It starts thundering and raining when we make a trade. We can't even trade the options because you got to time it so perfectly. And then we have to go far out of the money. Bro, at this point, bro, man, I will say the market, in terms of my life and my frequency, it's making it look like shit, bro. At least I made the best trade possible. But the things that the adventures I can go on in my life, the people I can meet, the things I can experience, like, bro, I think I'd rather do that than fuck with whatever the fuck this bullshit is. This is disappointing, bro. Like, I'm looking at the lights right now. I'm sitting here saying, bro, that guy walking to Palm Beach right now, he's probably enjoying life a lot more than someone sitting in a room fucking listening to music, trading this degenerate shit. Like, damn, bro. There's gotta be a balance to life. You know what I mean? It can't just be sit here and watch the market. There's gotta be some sort of balance to life where, you know, we get to experience that too. We can't just sit, especially when the market's degenerate. Like, bro, I'm on a high frequency. I enjoy my life. I love my life. I don't want this to be bro, I'm going to sit here and make one good trade all day. Man, guys, I'm going to create more of a balance, you know? Sometimes you just got to walk to Palm Beach for 4 days and just disappear. And just wonder, and just have people wondering what happened. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes you just got to do that in life. Because, bro, I'm looking at the market, it's doing the same shit. The market's doing the same shit. You know, if the market wants to go full fucking degenerate and give us nothing to do, then fuck it. I might as well just walk somewhere and not even have a car. I might as well just do some shit. You know, I might as well get involved into some story or experience something different. Because this is a waste of time, bro. But look, at least I made money that couldn't even get the DoorDasher to show up. And now I'm hungry. So fuck. Man. So guys, I'm going to call it. This has been the most degenerate day I've ever experienced. We're going to have to create a more balance in the market. When the market's doing this, the best course of action, one trade, walk away, or just don't even trade. You know, sometimes you guys just need to fucking, you know, just walk for 4 days. You know, just walk for 4 days, get a little lost, find your way there, fuck the phone. You know, what's the phone going to do? You know, the phone's just going to create problems. Do I really want this person to help me fucking get to somewhere? Do I really want to just spawn a car? That would ruin all the fun. You know? Sometimes it's more fun to have no money and to just go on your merrily way. You know, sometimes money, it takes away all the fun out of the experience. Oh, who gives a shit? We can just get another one. You know? Oh, who gives a shit? We got money. We can just... Oh, the food didn't get here. We'll just order more food. Oh, that's fucking fun. Like, man, fucking... My food didn't get here. No adventure. I'll just order more food. How fun. You know? What if we lived in a world where the only way to get food was to fucking kill for it? You know what I mean? That would be an interesting way of life. Like, oh my gosh, bro. You know? But no, we need money because we have to hire other people to kill our food. We can't kill it ourselves. No, we need money to do that. No. Guys, I'm signing off. You guys have an amazing life, bro. The market has put me in a situation where I need to create more of a balance. You know, some days I just need to not give a fuck about this shit because, bro, this is degenerate. I need to get to the level where I'm not even gonna trade. You know, I've been on those levels. I'm gonna get back to that shit, bro. Because that other person, he's got me questioning things. The DoorDasher, he's got me questioning, like, bro, why are you ordering food? You could have just, you know, got it yourself. You know, the fuck. I chose to sat here on a live stream instead of just getting it myself. But who the fuck wants to get it myself? You know, fuck. Guys, I'm gonna call it here. It's been amazing, guys. Live your life and have fun. You know, to sit here and say that money's everything, well, if money was everything, bro, you know, fucking, maybe they should have some better moves in the market. You know, maybe they should. It seems like there has to be more of a balance. You know, fucking A, bro. I'm gonna call it here, bro. Fucking degenerate fucking